will show you who I am. The minute I have come for Yasawa and I came prepared. You want to drag my man with me or where? Yasawa, you want to take an hour from me? I will not let you do it.
Bukala,
I am mad.
What's the meaning of this now?
The minute I have come to deal with you.
Respect yourself.
Get him there, man.
Akudo. Give me my man. I'm looking for my trouble, Akudo.
I will give you trouble.
I will not allow a small girl like you. Respect yourself.
Take my hand from me. I'm a man. You will not take my man from me. Who are you?
What is it? What is it?
Want this girl? Want this girl to leave my husband alone? Huh? Tell her to leave my husband alone. I will kill you. Hey!
See my dog, imagine my customer's clothes. Akudo, don't touch my dummy again.
If I touch his skin, you do what? Get a cake, Master. Get a cake, Akudo,
you're trying.
I will deal with you.
You're trying, Akudo.
I will kill you.
Leave my husband alone.
Leave my husband alone.
Respect yourself.
Leave my husband alone.
I will kill you.
I will kill you.
You should stop fighting now. Stop fighting.
You.
What's going on now?
I will take. I will kill you now.
Sorry, man. Touch me again. You know what? I'm going to fire at home.
What the hell? You mean you want to fight? Come back and fight, Joe. Come back and fight. You want to fight?
Your wife slapped you.
Your wife slapped you.
I am waiting for you at home.
Hey!
Come back to the house.
Come back and fight, you don't want to fight again.
Hey!
Come back and fight. Oh yeah,
your wife slapped you.
Nonsense woman.
It's okay. Anayo, second slap in 2 minutes. Hey, from east and west, slap is landing on your face. You see this my cheek is too fragile for a slap to land on it. Never! Anna. What did I do?
You are still here talking. Are you still here talking? You don't want to go. You don't want to go. You must say my boy.
Mrs. Ocham, it's okay. Please. Ozugo.
You are sorry. Yeah, I need is sorry. Because of that charcoal. If I'm not spying upon you again. You see the rubbish I used to take from her is because of you. But let me tell you something. Enough is enough. Ozugo. Do you understand me? I am the mother of your own child, your son. Who is she? Okay, you see Biggie. Why am I washing up? You see from Biggie. We can't know better do for all my dummies. Do you see my clothes? Do you see my customers' clothes? You see me, you are sorry. Papa.
Ozugo. I don't know the meaning of all these things. Okay. It's okay. Please.
You will still know the meaning, no? Your wife thinks she's mad, Abby. You don't know that I have half current and full current. And when blue and black wire, I'm going to get that spark here. You not tell her. You go down that both a man alone, and I'm okay. Man, it's all right. She will see madness. It's okay.
Maybe she's looking at your skin color, but she doesn't know your profile is not normal.
I'm okay now.
But let's just forget about her.
I'm not going to okay, Abby. You don't tell her that I'm not all right. Keep the color outside, though. Man, the I don't look for people's trouble in this village, but if you look for my trouble, I will give it to you. Double. I'm walk and do what's your life here. Tomorrow. Pick up apple, come and go. I want to go back to my house because I'm done for the day. I'm an entrepreneur.
I should go.
I'm an entrepreneur. Come and start going.
I've told you.
Come and start going. I'm not pushing like you get. Tell me what? What do you tell me? See my shop because back what goes. But I'm going to my shop because. But I'm not pushing like a shop. I'm not going to my shop. But I'm not going to go meet your wife. Why are you do walk? For bam everything I know, nothing to show for it.
You see that? No problem. That's how I in the village. I will deal with her. Groom, bless me. I will deal with that girl. Oh, yeah, girl, who is she? Huh? Who is she?
Ako, you did well. Okwefulogwa. Hey, as someone, we see what she is looking for in this village. But I do not blame her. I blame my brother. But you see that my useless brother, he definitely will see what he is looking for too.
Hey! I don't blame them. I don't blame her someone. I blame her sheep. If not, where will she see my husband to drag with me? A bake on affair. Eh? But don't worry. For her to make me lose my only child, though. Eh? I swear, I will stop at nothing until she releases her son. I will deal with her.
One. Ako, if Logwa, I am with you day in, day out. If someone, but I blame my brother. I have said it before and I will say it again. When he was busy collecting gift items from her, did we not warn him? How will I know?
How will I know? No, eh? How will I know? But don't worry. Let me go to my shop and lock it. I'm coming. Let her bring her war. When I saw this village, I will show her.
I trust you. For her. I'm a fear her into pieces. As someone, what you are looking for?
How can you be asking me what you're supposed to do? You know what you're supposed to do.
It's not easy. It's not easy. Eh? I'm confused. Both of them are important to me. Akudo is my wedded wife in church. Why Asanwa has a child for me? It's important.
I like what you said now. This one, wedded wife. This one has a son. See, let me tell you. If I were you, I would choose the one that has a son for you. Who has wedding never help? Wedding is a rubbish thing. When you had your wedding, who and who came? They only came there to drink the drink. Even me, I did not even give you money that day. I did not give you money. Other people that came, they did not give you money. They came there and drank and left. So you are still talking about wedding. Who talks about wedding this time? We should be talking about son. Son is more important than wedding. This one has a son for you. She is more important. That's what is called importance, important test. See, Asanwa is important test. Akudo is important. Yes. So follow your son. Somebody that will succeed you when you die.
You think it's easy? You think you just say it like that and it's easy? It's not easy. That's what is called wedded wife in church. The one the church recognizes is Akudo. In as much as Asanwa has been very, very supportive to me since I came back to this village. But think of it now.
Marry Asanwa.
What kind of problem?
Marry Asanwa. I know what I'm telling you. Marry Asanwa. You are a man. You are an African man. You are entitled to many wives. Yes, now.
So I will marry 2 wives.
2. So 2. Look at you. Let me tell you. You read your Bible. In the Bible, Goliath, how many did he marry? David, how many? Solomon married 1 village. Do you understand? Zacchaeus, who did it? Everybody in the Bible, they did it. Stop this thing that you are the man, you can do it. Yes, you can marry as many as you want. If you want, I can even organize another one for you. They'll give you another son. See, let me tell you. You have to caution Akudo. The way she's going about this thing, she's overspeed, you know. Because it's obvious that she cannot give you another child. Yes. If not, she would have done that since her child died. Now, you have Asanwa that gave you a son. S-O-N. S-O-N. Every family will have it. So that when you die, by the time you breathe last, your son will take over. Now, if you lose this son, don't let Asanwa take your son and run away. If Asanwa take your son and run away, your life will run away. Yes. You know what to do. So think well.
Okay, you're right. All right, because Solomon married plenty wives.
Solomon cleared this village. 300 wives and 700 concubines. Oh, what am I being taught? 1 community. He should not come back to this earth again.
He's dead.
Hi! So let me tell you what you have to do. Go home and make the right choice now. Make the right choice now. You see that boy, that beautiful boy, don't lose him. Look at you and look at this boy. You don't need anybody to tell you that this is your son, in whom you are well pleased. Go home there now and decide on what to do. Marry Asanwa and carry your son and go. If you wait, or do you want me to marry Asanwa?
Sister, what is it? You came back so early. You're crying. Sister, what happened?
Nothing happened. Just leave me alone.
It's Akudo, right?
Who else if not Akudo?
Hey.
No, tell me, who else if not Akudo? Akudo had the guts to come to my shop and put down all my dummies and clothes. Oh, Jesus. I will tell Akudo that I'm not the woman that she can mess around with. The one I gave her today, eh? Yeah, hey.
Sister, I agree with you. Our own is becoming too much. Whatever she wants, give it to her.
What else does she want apart from fight? I will give her that fight today. You see today, I only came back to change my clothes. I am going to her own shop. They will gather for me and her today.
Very good.
I got today for us to separate. I will deal with her. She took me on her ways, Abi. No problem. Meanwhile, where is Paul?
He's sleeping. He has eaten already.
Okay. No problem. Let her do whatever she wants to do on earth. I will tell her that I'm the one that has the key to Amayo's life. I hold the key to his heart. She will not do anything, no. So when she wants fight, let me change that. We'll go back. We'll find her fight today.
Give it to her. Sister.
Akudo! Where is she? Akudo! Where is Akudo?
She has gone back to her shop.
She has gone back to her shop?
Yes, brother, why are you doing this? Why not wake up from your sleep and call a spade a spade?
Are you mad? Are you talking to me like that?
Why will I not talk to you like that? Tell me why.
Wait, so you've grown wings? You now talk to me anyhow? Okay? You've joined Akudo. Akudo will come back here and meet me. She will tell me why she slapped me here. She will tell me what gave her the guts to slap me.
Brother, I am not sure she slapped you well. Truth they say is bitter. If you want to kill me because of telling you the truth, Mr. Boaderia, are you happy with the way they are killing themselves, fighting up and down in this village? You are the cause of this problem.
Are you talking to me?
Why would I not talk to you in that manner?
You're talking to me. So you've grown, eh?
I will not.
No, you've grown.
I don't think she slapped you well. She did not slap you well. She did not.
Everybody now talks to me the way they like. If I say one, they will say 20. No problems. Akudo will come back to this house.
You are not ashamed of yourself. Before that day, I make you woman rapper. You are not ashamed of yourself. Look at you. I don't think she slapped you well. She did not. She did not slap you well. I'm not sure she slapped you well. If she had slapped you well, your 32 will be on the ground. If she did not slap you well. She did not slap you well. She did not slap
me well.
No, she did not.
So this my chick that is ready is not slap Abi?
I'm not seeing her fingerprints. You can't even go sense. You can't even go sense. You don't have sense. You don't have sense.
Oga, 1,000 naira.
Yes, that's what I have.
Oga, are you sure we have 800 naira inside?
800, it should be 900 naira.
It's 800 naira. My apple is 100 naira.
You will fight me today. Hey, where is she? Where is that one? Akudo, come out. You want to fight?
Akudo, come
on, fight. Come on, fight me. Hey, you want to fight, Abi?
What is it?
You want to fight? No. You think you're mad?
Stop that now.
I will beat you with this place.
No, don't let her be. Let her be.
Come on, fight.
Hold on.
Who are you? My shop. What can you do? My shop. I said, what can you do?
What is the news? Why are both of you causing havoc in this community?
Iche, so you don't tell these fake organic products that she didn't run to come to my shop to fight me? Huh? Amusua. I like him color. Like each are gonna ride already.
Look at her, eh? She had the courage to come to my shop. She threw away my dummies. to put all my clothes. Hey, we come to this city. Only this small. This.
Wait, stop! No, stop it! At the front of you should respect him. Hey! Police, stop it! Hey, boys! Take them to your own chest house. On the chest, tomato. Quickly! Oh, yeah, move it. Move it, everybody. Move it.
It's okay, let's go.
You want to open that shop? I don't go shop. Go Move. Forget about the shop. I will lock it.
Who's my key? Move. Hey, where's my key? Daddy has plans. She has plans. Move.
Wait, Mama. Are you saying Akudo did well to slap me in public?
Yes, she did well. Did I not warn you? Shame on you, Anayo. Shame
on you, Okembi. Okay, keep your thing in one place you will not hear. Since you have decided to disobey me and go close to that girl that I warned you about, you will know no peace. As for that Sasanwa, she will have to fight me.
Mama, behave like a mother. Behave like a mother. Look at the kind of thing you're saying, that you join hands and beat her.
Anayo, if you dare insult me, I will lay a curse on you. Oh, I am not behaving like a mother. I am not behaving like a mother. Just because you have refused to put that thing in between your leg.
Mama, stop saying this. I'm a man, okay? I'm a man. I can marry as many wives as I want. Don't be taking it like it's a crime. I can marry, if I want to marry 10, 15, I can marry.
You cannot. You cannot.
Well,
it's only rich men who can do that.
Well, what do you mean?
Do you have money?
Aspiring rich men cannot marry.
Aspiring.
King Solomon.
Mama, Biko, I'm not insulting. I'm just telling you the fact, because all this war you people are looking for, you find it though. You find this war you're looking for.
Anayo, bring it on. We are ready. Bring your war. Bring your war. Come Israelites in Egypt. War. Butie the war. Anya.
Okay, from Kegebo, mwagi chameleon slap. Different colors ke yanacha.
Story.
Muna get about war Israel. Muna get about war Israel. Okay, no wall. Akudo will meet me here. Akudo na abata. He got fear me here. Akudo will come back and meet me.
Bring your war.
Just imagine that he can marry as many wives as he is. He is a man. Man indeed. Man indeed.
I don't know when this fight will end. I keep calling you people here, both of you, to settle it. With my age and experience in life, I know where it will end. If you do not stop this fight, someone may die from it.
She'll be the one to die.
Exactly.
She'll be the one to die.
You do not drag over a man. It is in the nature of a man to desire more than one woman. I have been saying this to you people. And this will be the last time I will summon you here for the matter.
Ichie, thank you. But sorry to cut you short. Sorry to cut you short, Ichie. This is my husband we're talking about. A man that married me with his own money. Tell this thing, I shower never, to leave him alone.
She should leave my husband alone. We are not talking about boyfriend and girlfriend here. It's husband and wife matter.
Okay.
Leave me alone.
Ichie, Shabi, you heard that? No, you heard that Kudo now. She had the guts to call me a Shawomu Akuna. It's okay.
Asam, are you not ashamed of yourself?
Ichie, why should I be ashamed of myself?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Why should I be ashamed of myself?
Because he's a married man.
Is it my fault that Anayo wants to enter and he opened it
ahead?
Is it my fault that I have a son for Anayo?
Will you stop this careless talk before us? The elders are here. They can imagine this.
Ichie, I cannot be ashamed though.
Huh? Oh no, please direct this matter quickly. Direct it.
Boys, please go quickly and call Anayo for me.
Oh no, Kono.
We must end this matter today.
Exactly.
But this matter must be settled today. Yes. And not tomorrow.
Imagine this kind of argument over this. The years.
Where is she? Where is your sister? Eh? Call her out!
Mama, welcome.
Who is your mother? Don't ever open your mouth to call me your mother again because I am not your mother. You don't know your mother? If you don't know your mother, go to her grave. Do you hear me? Where is your sister? In short, I am not here for you. I am here for Asanwa. Go and call her out. Call her to come out and fight me.
Mama, you don't have to involve my late mother in this. But my sister is not around.
I have gone to her shop.
She was not there. That is why I am here to face her one-on-one. Call her wherever she is to come and fight me. Call her to come out.
Mama Nayo, this is not the way to talk. You didn't even greet your grandson.
Who is my grandson? I don't have a grandson here. I can never have a grandson from your evil sister. Tell your sister to mind her business. Tell her to mind herself. Oh. Tell your sister to leave my son and his wife alone. See, I am going to take this fight to another level. Tell her not to dare me. Tell her not to dare me. I am not your grandmother. Your mother is evil. Tell your mother to change. Tell her to change from her evil ways. Tell her to leave my son and his wife alone. Tell her someone. See, don't worry. I will be back.
Somebody property. You see someone say na your own. Somebody husband. You carry him say na your own. I am the talk you the fight. You say na your own property. When trouble goes.
Anayo, you're welcome.
Thank you, Chief.
Anayo, I called you here today because your wife and your mistress
Mistress
have fought in this village. Enough. And this matter must be settled today.
Today.
Yes.
Today.
Else, we'll take the matter to the palace. You should settle the matter. Enough is enough.
Enough is enough. Ozugo.
Ichie, thank you very much for inviting me. And I'm glad that we all are here, at least to solve this matter once and for all. Okay. First of all, I want to start by asking a question. Is it bad for me to still be in communication with the woman that has a child for me?
You don't know how to talk.
You don't know how to talk.
Shut up! Stop it!
Allow him to talk. Anayo, you are not wrong, but...
There's no but, Onoche. Anayo is a man enough. Let's call a spade a spade. He has right to do whatever he wishes to do.
Okay, I want to ask a second question, if you don't mind. Am I not old enough to marry 2 wives?
Well, yes, Anayo. Of course, that is the reason we call all of you here.
Yes.
You are old enough to take decision. Is this what I've just said now? We are trying to make this matter end today. Of course, your wife is not happy, Akudo.
I am not happy. I am not happy. Cha.
Make your decision
That
straight.
is why I want this matter to end here today.
She's not happy. Kagini.
There is penalty to what you are doing. Anayo, I don't want that. You have to do something.
My elders, first of all, I want to know if it's a crime, or if our tradition forbids a man getting married to more than one wife.
Okay.
I guess no. Secondly, I am old enough to take my decision.
Bah.
So my decision is, I want to make her Sanwa my second wife.
Mama, you don't have to blame me. Mama, you see this matter? I'm on it. You people should leave it for me to settle. I am the one on top of it. Anywhere I go, people will be shouting, Ojuku, Ojuku, what is happening between Akudo, Anayo, and Asangwa? I'll tell them, calm down, calm down, calm down. Sometimes I talk to the press. They will say, can we interview you? I say, I'm going to settle it. You people should not worry. All this is on my head. So don't blame me yet. I will settle it.
Ojuku, I will blame you. You are my son's friend, but you are not doing the right thing. Tell Anna Ayochuku to leave that girl alone. Tell Anna Ayo to leave Asangwa.
Mama, I have tried. You see Anna? You see Anna? If not that he's a man, I will slap him one day. I have tried everything possible to make Anna Ayo stay away from Asangwa. He refused. He said that he has a son. She has a son for me. She has I said, who her son ever helped? What is their son? What is there to have a son? Anybody can have a son. Highest, you have a son. What is there to have a son? And you're following Asangwa up and down. And you're causing your family problem. Why would you want to marry a woman that your family doesn't want? Your friend, Ojuku, doesn't want. And he's insisting that he wants to marry the girl. No, I said no, it will not happen. Never!
Ojuku, I want to ask you a question. Is that son Jesus Christ?
I wonder.
Hey, tell him to leave that boy.
He must.
When he grows up, he can come back to us. We will welcome him with open arms.
Exactly.
Anayo should come home and face his wife.
Oh.
He is not impotent. Neither is his wife Barry. Therefore, they can still make babies.
Are you serious?
Tell him to come back and have time for his wife. He doesn't
have time for his wife.
He doesn't.
Hey,
Ojuku, did you hear that?
Oh.
Hey, tell that girl to be careful, oh. I will change it for her. And someone will see another side of me, oh. I have seen that if we don't join hand with Akudo to fight this fight will not end, oh.
Hey, who now about this one? I will not take it. Anayo, anywhere you are now, kneel down and beg me. Asangwa, anywhere you are now, start crying.
Amen.
Because what I will do to both of you, I will separate you.
Amen.
I will separate you.
Amen.
Can you imagine? Everywhere you go, the people will be saying, Ojuku, what are you doing in this case? If I go, I enter Okada, I go anywhere, the press will stop me on the road, be asking me, because this matter has been long. I will say them, oh, calm down, pressman, I'll settle it. How long?
Ojuku, leave too much talk. Put these words to action.
Action. You see action? Anywhere I see Anayo and Asangwa, action will be on their body.
Go.
Mama, don't worry. Don't worry yourself. Don't bother yourself. As I'm going now, anywhere I see Asangwa, I'll beat her to pulp.
Put fire and super.
Anywhere I see Anayo, I'm going to that house now. If I see Anayo there, Anayo will beg me. No, this is too much. Mama, ask me. Mama, it's not manya this.
Anoche. Mazi. Anya chikotago bako. Manokore nchikota.
Anna, you must go with me today.
I will change it for you. I will change it for you. Leave me alone.
Anna, leave him now. What's your problem? You are going home with me today. What's your problem?
Leave me alone.
What is your problem, Akudo?
You want to naked me? You want to naked me?
You are already naked. You were naked while you went to this borough pit. You're going to have me.
Who told you it's borough pit?
It's borough pit.
Thank you, my brother.
I know it's borough pit.
He said it's not borough pit.
All the two wives.
I said no borough pit.
All the two wives.
Madam, you want to move that okay? Leave me alone. You want to teach you? You should be ashamed of yourself, Akudo.
You naked me. You
Look
naked
at
me.
you.
You will get me here.
You naked me.
You must go home with me, Anayo. You are going home with me.
Everybody's seen it.
Two of you will give me today.
Anayo, can't you talk?
Leave. I will change it for you.
Change it for who?
Akudo, what's your problem?
Change it for who, Anayo? Change it for Onye.
You want to fight me? You want to fight me?
Two of you will give me today.
What is your problem now? Leave it. Go to Biaka. Leave it. Leave. Okay, you know what to do. I am holding her. No, I'm holding her. I'm holding her.
It's not easy. She don't.
Leave her out of the logo. I will kill you. Leave her.
No,
Run
Sister
away.
Pando.
Run now. Run away.
Run! But after running, you meet me at home. You can meet him no longer.
Ojuku is a chameleon. Ojuku is a chameleon.
The only good wife in this village.
Ojuku, what is it?
The most verified wife in this village.
Hey, Ojuku, you are part of my problem in this village. You are my problem, Ojuku. Huh?
Am I the one that made your voice to change?
You are the one that made me lose my voice. You are the one that made me lose this voice, but don't worry. I have bought a kill for all of you. Bitakola is my mouth. Oh. I'm ready.
How can you say this thing? How can you say something like this? You are the only verified wife in this village. The only verified wife of Anayo, and you know I'm on your side. Your husband Anayo is very stubborn. I've been trying to control him, tell him what to do, but he will not listen. Who told you this thing about me, that I'm a bad person? Come on, friends.
Ojuku, I don't believe you.
If you don't believe me, you will not believe that Jesus will come again. Yes. See, let me tell you. You see that Asangwa? I am going to her house. By the time I get to her house, Asangwa will see, we know why they call me Ojuku or Jemba. I'm going to deal with her. Because all this is not an ism. It's only turning on my head.
Are you sure about this?
See, let me tell you. Oh, I don't have my phone. I will record it. If not, you see, when I get there, I will record it with my head. By the time you come, I'll play it to you. Go home and relax. As for these people, Asangwa, Anayo, anywhere you
Let
are
it
now,
be. Oh.
start crying.
I don't know if I should believe you, Ojuku. It can walk here, boy.
No.
You are like a chameleon.
I have only one tongue. And I'm using it well. So how can you say that I'm a bad person? Everybody in this village knows me that I'm a good man. I've been going about helping people, arranging families, putting it in order.
Go. You know, your problem is you talk.
I will deal with them.
Ojuku, you talk too much. Don't cry more than they bereaved. You know?
No. This thing you said
Well,
now.
Don't cry more than they bereaved.
Because now you're saying that your problem. People will be seeing me as a bad person. I'm a good man.
Don't worry. If you do this thing for me, Hapurumoku, leave it for me. Just go and do this thing for me.
You know, Hajir me. Are you planning something for
Just
me?
do it
Let
first.
me know. Anaya, that's someone. Unana. Anywhere both of you are now, fall down and die.
Okay.
Because I will deal with you.
Ojuku,
Go home. I'm going there. I see Asanwa's house. I'm going there now.
but don't worry. No matter what, I am ready for someone.
Go, you are ready?
She wants, I am
Yes, stand on your ground and finish her. Who is she? You are the verified wife. Yes, every other wife is not verified. We don't know about that one. Go home, I'm coming. I'm dealing with them. Anayo, Asanwa, your carpet is off. I'm dealing with you people. Go home, I'm coming. Let me go and deal with them.
Boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy. Good afternoon.
Oh, remember to greet your daddy.
How are you? I miss you. Don't worry, eh? Very soon I will come and carry you here. We'll go to the city and live, okay? Okay. Come and take you out of here. Eh? I'm glad he's being a good boy.
I can't wait. Has he had the siesta?
Yes, sister. But Anayo's mother was here today. She was so angry.
Huh? My mother came here.
Yes. Sister, if you were here, it would have been a different game. I've never seen her like that. Even when Paul came out to greet her and call her grandmother, she just pushed him away.
What?
What?
My mother pushed him away.
Yes.
Polo.
Wait.
Going home. No. Don't obi me. I'm trying to know why my own mother pushed my son away. Her grandson. Boy, I'm coming. Okay? I'm coming. Just wait.
Wait. My dear, let the war begin.
Oh, yes. If you see the way she pushed him.
For what now? She's lucky I wasn't around. It's alright.
Mama, that one will not happen in this house. Mama, Meko.
Hey! Mama, what's wrong have I done to Naija? What's wrong have I done to Naija? Is it a crime that I followed my husband to the village when things went bad for us? I was only being a good wife.
It's okay.
Something that any good woman would do.
It's alright. Stop crying. Stop crying. Stop crying. Wipe your tears. I am with you. I am solidly behind you. Anaya will go and come back here and meet me. Away from that someone. I am going to deal with her. I will show her why I am called Uchenwa. By the time I am done with her someone, she will change from her someone to someone. It's okay.
Mama, it is high time I joined this fight. I have to join this fight, oh.
Yes. Join the fight. Makanas nani koma million or ball fufu. This is getting too much.
You see that Asangwa? I will stop her nothing until I kill her. Good. She will never have my husband. It's either she dies or I die.
You will not die, oh.
You will not.
You will not die.
She will be the one to die.
We will kill her. You will not die.
You will not.
We will kill her. Nonsense.
Look at me. Look at me.
Akudo.
Enemy of progress.
Akudo.
Stop
crying.
Stop crying. They want to kill me.
You will not die. You will not. It's okay.
But I'm stronger than them.
Yes. Anaya, what has that girl given to you to eat? Whatever she has given you to eat, you will vomit it now. Vomit it! Vomit it here and now.
Wrap my can now. Leave my clothes now.
Mama, don't leave him, oh. Hold him tight. Brother, you see, anything you want in this house, we will give it to you times 10.
Okay, is that... Okay, you people have ganged up against me, No, you people have ganged up against me. Mama, leave me alone. I don't want quarrel. Just leave me. Let me go.
Are you out of your mind?
Leave me. Let me go.
Are you out of your mind? Let me slap that charm out of your eyes. Let me slap it out of your eyes. What has she given to you? You see that as someone? Anywhere I see her in this village, there is going to be war. People will gather. What nonsense? What has this girl done to you? Is she not beautiful enough?
Mama, you slapped me. Cello,
I will slap you again. If you make beam now, I will slap hell out of your ears. See, that's someone. Anywhere I see her in this village,
tell Mama to leave me alone. I don't want to scatter here. Just tell Mama to kindly leave. I'm talking to you.
Anaya, what wrong have I done to you? What did I do wrong to you? Did I not give you a child? Did I not give you a child? This same Asawa is the reason we don't have a child anymore. You people killed my daughter for me.
You should tell Mama to leave me alone. You're singing in Heme or in Heme. Is that what I asked you to tell her? Mama, leave me. You're giving me this straight fight. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Look at him.
Mama, he's going back there.
He's not going anywhere.
He's going back there.
Banana.
Hey.
What's all this? What's all this? And for Mabola, and Mabola like him. Why would you slap me?
If you open your mouth to step me again, I will lay a curse on you. I will lay a curse on you. I will lay a curse on you. Fight me. Beat me. Beat me.
No wahala now. Can't sit back here.
Let me go back here. You are just here.
My dear, I am very happy now. Eh? I am so happy. If you don't have you, let me see how Anayo will not get married to me.
Sister, yes, so you will win Akudo, but you will not have peace of mind.
Why?
Yes, the mother will give you what?
That one. My dear, I have the money. I can take care of my son single-handedly. And even take care of my husband. Do you understand? As a matter of fact, they should just give me Anayo. I don't even mind staying here with him. They can have their house. I don't need their stupid house.
Yes, I think that's better. Paul, don't worry. You go back to your father's house, right? Don't worry.
Of course he will. I cannot... it's not possible for me to bring up this boy as a single mother. I will not. Anayo has to put a ring on this finger.
Number one of Obodai. Eh? We go to our community.
Ojuku. First of all, welcome. Yeah. Secondly, I am not happy with you.
What did I do? Eh? Do you know why I'm here?
Why are you here?
Ojuku, why are you here?
Okay. Okay. You don't know how I'm looking at you. Don't cross any of compio. My future wife in the making.
Hey, Ojuku, just hold it there. Who is your future wife? Hey, see me, Ojuku.
Be calming down. Calm down. Stop it now. Which one is a... Is he not a handsome man?
Eh?
Is Ojuku not a fine man?
This one.
Get up from the seat. Let our visitor sit down. Get up and let him sit down.
Okay.
I beg, don't.
Hey, see, Asa, you see, for this thing you did here, I'm happy with you. And you are the real wife of Anayo. Hey, Asa, you are the real wife of Anayo. That is what I'm telling you. Polosky and Anna. My man. See, you are the real son of Anayo. Every other child of Anayo is a fake child. You are the real one, and your mother is the real mother. Where is Anayo?
Ojuku, does this place look like Anayo's house?
Can you be coming down?
Sister, why is he asking stupid questions
Just shut up! Be coming down! Why is your blood too hot?
You don't know why I'm here.
Wait. Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
You mean you told him that?
You don't know me very well.
Ojuku?
You don't know what I'm capable of doing. I told him, say, Anayo, Asanwa is your wife. Go and marry Asanwa. He said, okay, I'm going to do it. We have planned it. Me and him, we have planned everything. Secured it, sealed and signed. You don't know me very well.
Ojuku, for doing this particular favor for me, hey, I will give you big money. I say big money.
Hey, don't talk about money. Come off it. Ojuku, you see here, I dream my money in this village, but you will not know. Forget about money. As far as you can, okay, here. Just do what you can do for me. Press any button you can press. Ping pong. Tell Oge what to do. Say, okay, follow me. And Oge will follow me. Hey. That's all.
It's only Oge that you want. So Oge.
I'm telling you.
Consider it done.
Hey.
I said consider it done. As long as Oge is my younger sister, anything I tell her she will do.
I can check in.
Sister, don't worry yourself. Ojuku, it's not as if I hate you.
I know.
I don't hate you at all. It's just that sometimes you make me so angry. You know you talk too much. But for you to do this for my sister that I love so much, Ojuku, I'm all yours.
Hey.
Whenever you want to marry me, just come and carry me.
Are you serious? Hey. Just like that?
Yes, now.
See, I'm not in-law to this family. Where are my kinsmen? Where are the in-laws? No, come down. No. Yay!
Ojuku, once Anayo marries my sister, just come. Anything you want, you can have it with me.
Anayo, wherever you are now, wear your clothes. See, Anayo is coming. See, let me tell you, this is a small thing to me. We have arranged it. So, very soon, it will come to pass. As soon as I leave here, I'm going to the police station to buy fuel. I will pour the fuel inside Anayo's heart. Yes, I'll put fire in his mind. Say, Anayo, go. Don't rest until you marry someone.
Hey.
Before you know it, Anayo will come here, carry rain. Pium, marriage.
Hey.
You don't know me.
Anyways, you have heard from the horse's mouth. Anytime you're ready, just come and marry Ogi. You can have her all to yourself. But if only you can convince Anayo to come and marry me, you don't have any problem. Ogi is yours.
Anayo is a settled matter. Your marriage is already settled. It will soon come and pass. Just watch out what I'm going to do. As for you, go to Onitsha. Go to Onitsha and buy clothes material. Show your traditional marriage clothes. As for you, count your Ashebi girls. If they reach 9, fine. If they reach 10, fine. I'm coming for my own. See me, as I'm living here, I'm going to prepare for wedding. Can't you go to wedding? If people don't know me very well. See, all these things, I've arranged it. See you, where are the in-laws, sir? See you, see Anaya, see marriage. Can't you see? It's already going to happen. As I'm living here now, you see Anaya, enter here, tell you, say, he will come with his kinsmen, and I will follow them at the back to marry you. By that time, you will know that Ojuku, I'm not very much. Come, Jeputa.
Ojuku! Walk again.
Yes.
Walk away, yeah? Oh, don't walk. See this one.
Sister boy is trying. He's trying.
Ojuku, he never sees this one, please.
He's trying.
I know he's trying. You listen to me. You have to use your woman power. Set yourself well. Do you understand me? You should know how to maneuver him. Twist his mindset. Make sure he convinces Anayo to come and marry me. Do you understand me?
Sister, don't worry. I learnt well from you now. Ojuku, that one is a small thing. I will handle him. I will turn around.
Hey! Go and get me food if I'm hungry.
Nne, you have to go to the market. Buy few things so that you can add up to the soup. Okay. Buy ogiri and vegetable. Is it or how?
Let's use bitter leaf. Let's eat something bitter.
Go now, Start going.
I will go. Let the sun come down.
Which son?
Don't worry.
Go now.
Go so that you have something to put inside our stomach. You see this as someone matter? It will not close.
Mama, if I know Makiana is what to eat, not about Asam.
Mama, sorry, because no. I received bitter leaf soup inside just now. So me, I want to know if it's still remaining because I'm very hungry.
There is no food for you in this house.
King Solomon, there is no food for you in this house. Go to your second wife's home and ask her for food.
Are you mad? Are you out of your mind? Is it because I've been keeping quiet?
Anayo!
So because I've been keeping quiet, you now run your mouth like tap water. Are you out of your mind?
Are you out of your mind?
You talking to me like that?
Did you slap my daughter?
No. I just contoured her face.
Please, speak up.
Let me go and give him food to eat.
No way! Anayo will not eat in my house. I am your mother. Since you have decided not to obey me in this house, your sister will never obey you.
You don't want to give me food?
Woman rapper, you slapped me.
I'll slap you
Try
again.
it.
Very stupid girl. You're talking to me as if I'm your mate. Don't you know I'm your elder brother?
Ozugonu. It's okay. Let me go and give him food, Mama Bikono. Anaya, why are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
No. If you talk to me again, if you are...
What will happen? What will happen? Try it. I just want to give you food. Let them know I'm not feeding you in this house. That is why I want to give you food.
Are you feeding me before?
I am feeding you.
Are you feeding me before?
I am feeding you food.
Nonsense.
It's
okay. No, if you should keep your food though. Don't give me food. Keep your bitter leaf soup. Thank God I have another branch elsewhere. I'll just go there and drop my stomach and eat to my fill. Keep your food.
Branch manager. We have seen you. Come, let me give you food.
You are not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere.
Mama. Mama!
Oh, Mama! Mama! Help! Help! Hey, let's go! Anna, you have killed me! No! Get down, Mama! Mama! Help! You are going! Help! What's the matter with you? Anna, you? Anna, you must go! Mama, you must go!
Stand up.
Anna, you must go!
Go. Mama, hey. I'm ready to help you. How to go? Okay.
Pen is too much.
Mama, don't worry. You see Asanwa? She will see what she is looking for in this village. She will see what she has done to herself.
Sorry. I don't even know what is wrong with Anna. I don't know what that girl has given him to eat. Why did it to his mother?
Asanwa will know this. I am going to lay a curse on Asanwa. Oh, Asanwa, you will know no peace until you die.
Amen. Mama? And amen.
I say a very big amen.
So shall it be.
For that girl to bring trouble to this house,
she will know no peace. She will know no joy.
Don't you think we should rush you to the hospital? This pain is increasing.
You are right. I think I need to see a doctor. The pain is too much.
In that case, let me rush her and go and call Anaya because he has to come and see what he has done. Mama, let me go and call Anaya. We have to go and put hands here. Let me go and call him.
Oh, don't go there and start fighting.
Don't worry. I will not fight this time. Let me go and call him.
Ijoma, come this side, come this side, come this side. Put your hand. Help me.
Go. Mama, hate you. Go.
Enjoy your meal. Let me see who will walk into this compound to take this food away from you. Eat the food, enjoy. Do you want more? There is more where this one is coming from. I can go and bring the pot.
No, don't worry, my love. Let me finish this one.
Eat.
Thank you, What would I have done without you in this village?
Nothing.
No, tell me now.
Enjoy, eat your food. I don't get it. Why would a woman deny her husband food?
I wonder.
Just food. Is that nice? Or is she jealous that you have a son? I don't get it.
I've even made it clear to them that I must marry you.
Hey.
So it's better they get used to it, because next week now, I'll go and pay your bride price and bring you home.
Obi.
Talk about salon.
Hey! Thank you so much. I didn't know it was that fast too. I didn't know it was going to be that fast.
Just in case you come now, well,
but Obi, I wish you can spend the night with our son today. You know he misses you.
Anyway, that's not a problem. I'm going to spend the night with you people.
You will?
But wait, are you sure it's my son that is really missing me? Or you're the one missing me? Because I know you know that stuff.
Like you're not missing that stuff too. You're enjoying the food. I should let me go and bring more.
Let me finish this one first.
Finish. I'll go and bring the pot. Eat for Jesus.
Let's go to bed. He won't come back.
Njoma, go to bed. I am not sleeping this night until Anaya comes back. Do you know what it will cost me for him to sleep there? No. I don't know why Anaya is behaving like this. Why is he doing this to me? You could hear Akudo. Both of you should go to bed. Let Anaya sleep wherever he is. You know where he is. There is no need for me to panic. Mama, say no. He's not sleeping there.
want David to get pregnant for him again? Eh? No, he's not sleeping there. He has to come back. I will not allow that to. It will not happen. Here. Ijoma, let us go there and bring him back. He has to come back to the house.
Akudo, calm down. It will never happen. Not when I'm alive. Unless I die tonight. But as long as I live, yeah, Asamwa will never succeed in any of her plans.
Mama, you are not sleeping there with them. You will not be there when they will do anything they will do. Mama, don't worry. Just go inside. Ijoma, let us go and bring him back.
Mama, you worry too much. Don't worry about us. Bani me and I can go and drink it. Oh yes, so I not look at why only another.
You know what I am?
Akudo, Ijoma.
When you get just another woman, what do you go see? Not fighting every day.
Mrs. Ocha, we have to go to bed though.
I'm feeling sleepy. Let's go sleep.
Let's
Oh, Obi, just before you go in, the gate is open. Help me bring the key. Let's lock it.
Oh, okay. Where is the key?
It's inside.
What is it again? What is what? Go in there and bring my husband out. I know my husband is inside there. Go in there peacefully. Bring him out.
Are you alright?
I think I'm alright.
Is it okay?
I think I'm okay.
Don't feel like
I cannot be okay.
No, you're not alright now.
Mama, can I be okay?
You left your house by this time to come to my house.
Why won't I come?
This which husband?
So you want to keep my husband here?
No, you cannot come and
lie.
We are having enough just good time. Because
Anayo.
Obi, can you imagine?
By
this time of the night.
Anayo.
What are you people doing?
In my house.
I've left the house for you. Leave or
Father, you are a shame to the family. You came here to tie up.
You're no longer holding the wrapper. You're holding my blockers. You naked me.
This brother to swallow you. This brother to swallow you.
Leave me.
Asan wisini di anife ichonku kasia ya kokasiwa. Idi anife ichonku kasia ya kokasia. Asan wisini di anife ichonku kasia ya kokasia. Idi anife ichonku kasia ya. Asan wisini di anife ichonku kasia ya kokasia. Idi anife
Pound it well. Isn't it the anife? Ichonku kasia ya kokasia. Isn't it the anife?
ichonku kasia ya kokasia.
As someone will see another side of us today. For anything. Pound it well.
What is going on here?
Mama, Pepe is going on here.
Yes, so. Mama, Pepe is really going on here. Since brother decided to sleep over there last night after fighting us. As someone will see part 6 of war. War is on another level.
Good, Mama. By the time I am done with that someone, she will know that I'm from Abenu.
Good.
I will not spare her this time around.
That is the spirit. Ne, whatever you people want to do, you have my support.
Mama, don't worry yourself.
If you even want me to join the fight, I am ready.
Bam. Just go in and relax. We will tell you how it happened.
Don't worry.
Grind it.
Messiah will here today. After dealing with her, she will trek to Rome and come back without seeing Christ on the cross.
Okulaka,
Mama,
make it fashion now.
Mama, trust me. I see a way winner. Money. As I'm waiting in the anife, Ichonku kasia.
I see. Idikwa nikoko. Yeah. You can hide your number. Cause now so fighting go they come for your way.
So you're dressed. Sister, what is it?
They've not seen anything. No. They've not seen the real war.
You're still talking about this war. My dear, let's forget about the war. Because this one I just gave them is it's just a tip. When they see the main war, they won't be able to stand me. My dear, please go inside and dress my boy for school. And besides, Anna should be expecting his second child. Because I dealt with him last night. And stop looking at me like that. When I said I'm dressing for school, it's late. My boy, go and hurry, eh? Dress up and go to school. Your classmates are waiting for you. Do you understand? Mommy wants to go and get water, okay? Go and dress up, oh? Okay. Let me bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Hurry up, oh!
Sergeant,
Somebody property. You say someone say now your own. Somebody husband. You carry him.
I will show you that I'm not your mate today. You will show me. Shameless thing. Asanwa. Megosigi. Kita. Iga fun keto edina.
Hey.
Ijama.
Akudo. Akudo, the last time you blocked me, you know what happened to you?
Which last time?
This is
the first time I'm blocking you. This is the first time I'm blocking you.
You are a compound fool.
Compound one.
Today, you got quarter and 1 plus 1.
Ijama, don't talk too much.
I am your advisor. Anything I tell you, you do. Don't listen to anybody. I'm not afraid of anybody. Don't listen to anybody. Don't listen to cheap talks. See, do your thing and win your award. Your award is waiting for you in the life of Asanwa. Do it and collect your award.
Ojuku. So this is what you have been doing, okay? In our also, you are running, eh? Shame on you. Look at Ojuku that is deceiving you. Huh? You are not ashamed of yourself. I regret the day I gave birth to you. Yes, I should have given birth to you as a daughter so that I will know I don't have a son.
Mama, me.
Ihere image.
Mama.
Ne, Ojuku. Ojuku na deceive you. No let me man ya kupata.
Property. You say someone say now your own way. Somebody husband. You carry him say now your own way. And the talk you they fight. You say now your own property.
This Akudo need to lock the phone and private. Yes, sir. Please, sorry. Sorry, go inside. Sorry. Don't.
When you can just another woman to hold
Take your breath. Let me go. Be fast.
I need your mom away from the street. They called me Pepe. Pepe.
Hey, Pepe, I will kill somebody.
Mama, you didn't see her crying and screaming.
Hey! That serves her right. You know, I am so happy. That is what I have been planning to do. You people have just helped me.
Mama, we have helped you. We have helped you. No. You see Asanwa? Ya chaka wombo. Good. Asanwa chaka wombo. Mama, can you believe I went to her house last night and I saw her with my husband, that same rapper? Hey, behaving as husband and wife. Simba. My heart was broken. I said no. I have to do something. Good. I had to do something. Mama. Good.
And we did it.
Good.
We did it.
Good.
So you have the mind to do that to Asanwa? Huh?
Yes.
You have the mind to do that to Asanwa?
Why would I do it? Yes. What will you do?
You're asking me.
What will happen?
You're asking me.
What will happen? Anna,
Why now?
you got fire for.
Why the fire?
I'm not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere.
She's not going anywhere.
see blood, no? Blood, no? Anayo! Hey! Mama! Anayo, okay, Mama! Mama! Hey! Mama! Anayo, you have succeeded! Mama! Mama! Hey! 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 Blood! Blood! Mama, we need to take her to the hospital. Mama! Hey! Take her to the hospital. Anayo, you have killed your mother! Anayo, you have killed Mama! Anayo! Anayo, you have killed Mama! You have killed Mama! Anayo! Oh, this is mad! Oh, this is motor! Anayo, look at me! Let me return the car. Someone should pray nothing happens to my mother, oh. Because if anything happens to my mother, I will kill her and bury her in this village. Myself. Okay, make it a film. Okay, make it a film.
Stop making noise, I'm thinking. Well, why would you do that to her? Is she a thief?
Yes! Anayo, she's a thief! She is a thief! Because she stole you from me! But listen, if anything happens to Mama, I will personally kill her somewhere else in this village. I will kill her! But to show this, I will do not touch Anayo. You are a shameless man! Very shameless!
What is it, Anaya? I expect you all to take cognizance of the fact that this place is an hospital and not a marketplace.
Doctor, talk to them. I've not been talking. Please, how is my mother?
Well, you're all standing here right now and are no longer kids. And I don't want to hide anything further from your people. Just shortly before you brought her down here, she has lost a lot of blood. I don't want to start by asking what happened. But I'm sorry to announce to you that she couldn't make it. She's dead.
What? I'm sorry. Who is dead? Hey!
Mama! Excuse me.
Hey!
This is abomination. Eh? Anayo, how could you kill your own mother? This is quite unbearable.
Stop saying this thing now. How can I kill my own mother? But we are just dragging here. Before you know, she slept and that was it. I can't do such a thing now.
Anayo, hey! You and Asawa has succeeded. But mark my words, I will make this village a living hell for both of you. Trust me, I will kill Asawa and her child. Confess.
You don't have to say that now. It's okay. Asawa did not do anything in this case. Hapukwana Asawa. What quite for me?
It's a guinea. Get out, Sumba. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Will you stop? Anna, I don't want this to be a vicious circle. I want you to devise a means and stop this burning spell that is hitting your family. Your wife just lost her child not quite long ago. As if that is not enough, your mother just passed on. All in the name of Asawa. What do you call this? Are you not, with your right senses, don't you think that something is wrong? I want you to begin to think.
No, just tell me. What wrong have I done? What have I done? The only thing I know that I've done is helping Anayo and his family. Now, Asawa is being tagged a bad person. Hey, Asawa is now being tagged a bad person. Just like that.
Sister, you've not done anything wrong. You're just fighting for your rights.
What is my right to? My own right? Eh? What gave Akudo the right, the temerity to have? She had the guts to do this thing to me. Pepe. Also, but I will deal with her. Or else if I don't get well, I will so deal with her. She will hear from me. Akudo. It's all right. But I know that it's my right.
That you didn't do anything. Then push me out of the house.
Let them continue pushing you. Do you understand? When I get okay, they will hear from me as someone.
Mrs. Ocha, what is it?
Who is your Mrs. Ocha? Who is your Mrs. Ocha? It is because of you that I'm passing through this thing that I'm going through right now. Because of you, my house is on fire. Instead of you to help me and lick it, you left me and just left the pepper. So the pepper will just kill me.
I cannot lick it. I don't like pepper. Even in Yoruba land, I used to avoid any food that has pepper. I even told them, let's take it to the hospital. They say no, that is red oil. I said, okay, now here now. There is red oil that will stop everything. Before I ran out to go and beat Akudo black and blue. Were you not there? Maybe it's not you, but I know I saw somebody that saw me beating Akudo in our own house. I beat Akudo, you know. So it's not like I don't want to leak. I was opening the legs wide for her to fan. Mrs. Ocham.
You will come and feed this pepper with me. This pepper will touch you too. I will not sit you now. Don't talk to me. Pepper is peppering me. I'll leave me alone.
Asaman, Mrs. Ocham. Can somebody use pepper and eat it? That's barbaric now. Anyway, the pepper in Hi. I'm sorry. I can imagine.
You say someone say now you're on somebody husband. You carry him say now you're on and the talk with the fight. You say now your own property. When trouble will come, make you go. When you go see
I cannot spread it. It's too flesh. It's too spread. Hey! This is what happens to somebody that goes about chasing other people's husbands. I swear to God, if I'm in Akudo's shoes, I would have roasted some people like bushmeat. I know for that matter.
Yes, so my sister.
Oh God.
My husband is scared.
Please
What do you
stop.
want some people to do?
Nothing. What is it now? Can't you see that things is not easy with them? Why are you saying all this? I don't like it, Biko. Hey, sister, please. Sister, don't listen to them. Let's go. Don't make them make you angry. Let's go, please. Please.
Make who feel bad? Can't even make that one feel bad. She has the heart of Satan already now. One woman enough. Walk, let me see you.
It's okay.
Babe, don't you know that pepper is not someone's food? Abi. When you enter that side. If I didn't.
Let's go. Don't listen to them. Let's go.
Asanwa. So you still have the nerves to walk around this village after snatching somebody's husband? You should hide your face in shame.
Akudo, it will not be well with you. It will not be well with you. See what you did to my sister.
It's okay, please. Let's try and stop crying. Biko.
Mama is gone. Mama is gone. Who is going to fight for me? Who is going to fight for me in this house again? Onyeka Nurumoku. Hey.
Sister, you have me. This time I am going to show my brother that I am no longer a kid. I am now a woman. And you have me with you, please. It's okay.
As someone you have really dealt with me. As someone you have really dealt with me. As someone has taken two most important people in my life. Two. I will not let her go free. I must kill her somewhere in this village. Just look at Mama is dead and gone. Gone. Who will fight for me again? Mama.
Hey. But I won't let it slide. No. I know my brother has gone to see her again. As usual. But I am going to deal with them. I will deal with them in a manner they will not forget in their whole lifetime.
Hey, Mama. Mama, why did you leave me? Why did you leave me? Why did you leave me, Mama? Why did you leave me?
It's okay now.
Hey, help.
It's okay.
Please come out, let me lock my door. It won't be a problem. I want to lock my door. Please. I want to go to my mother's village. I don't want to stay here anymore. Is it my fault?
How can you leave me now to your mother's village?
Your people are mocking me. When I pass them, they will laugh at me.
They are it's thunder that will fire them. Okay. Thunder will fire everybody that doesn't mind his business in this village. Please don't mind them. I will pay your dowry after my mother's burial. I will pay the dowry.
When is it going to happen? When is your mother's burial going to happen? When?
Brother Nayo, I don't want anyone to kill my sister for me. This fight is too much. We're tired.
I have told you people, leave the fight for me. It is my fight. It's me that will fight them the way I want to fight them. Nobody should put hand. I will fight them. By the time I pay your dowry now, they will not have any choice than to mind their business in this village.
Beautiful.
Maniyan Nayobo, don't live with my son.
My
love. Pico no. Mrs. Ojam.
Sister.
Shut up your mouth.
Let's just listen to him this time. You know, he has always been on our side.
Yes. Are you mad? Are you the one that they'll be mocking? Are you the one the villagers are laughing at? Church? Please, I beg you to come out of my way. I want to go to my mother's
house. My love, even if you want me to be living here with you people, I'm ready. I can collect one room and be staying here.
Okay.
Don't mind these two people that will not just mind their business. Please. Don't live with my son, Biko no. Oh, Biko Ziano. You can't possibly leave me and go to your mother's place. You know I love you. Please. Let me take your bag inside. It's dusty. Dust and everything.
Somebody property. You say someone say now your own. Somebody husband. You carry on say now your own. And the talk you the fight. You say
after carrying you still come and carry me. You don't say that you black one. Wait. If they laugh at me again, I will go.
Thunder will fire them.
If they mock me again, I will go.
They will all die.
Every time, bury, and I'm all home. I don't like it. I don't like
Anayo. Who is here?
She's not at all.
Anayo.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
How are you, Ijoma?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
What of Anayo?
He's not at home. I think he might be at Asa's house.
What of Akudo?
She's inside.
Oh, she's inside?
Yes.
Good. Bring us a chair to under that tree there.
Okay, sir.
And call Akudo. Then run along, call Anayo. We have serious meeting here. Others are coming. So,
okay,
down
sir.
there. Under the tree, please.
It's better we settle this matter once and for all.
don't know why every now and then.
Are they the only husband and wife in this village?
Oh, we'll have to settle it.
Every day fight. Every day fight. Morning.
Yes,
it's better.
Let me go and call Akudo.
Please do.
Let me adjust it.
Anayo, the Igwe sent me to send his verdict to you over your matter. Enough is enough for all of you. The last time we called on you, you promised that you'll marry Asanwa. But look at things now.
Exactly.
He that his house is on fire does not chase rats.
I'm not sure you have said it all.
Chelo, I don't like how you talk sometimes. Even the last time you came here, some kind of words are just uncalled for. Which one is Onyone and Abokwa Ade Achuoke? Are you now trying to say it's a crime for me to be close to the woman that gave birth to my son? I'm only trying to be a responsible father. What wrong did I do?
What do you mean? Okay, what do you mean? Here? Huh?
I know I'm stupid. You always say it all the time. It's not the first time. Every time I'm stupid for saying the truth.
Anayo, do you know what it means to lose a mother over this case?
It's painful. Very, very painful.
You have a wife. And if you give her the needed attention, she can still bear you a child.
Oh, Iche, oh God, Iche, Asimoga, it shall be well with you.
Amen.
Will this fake organic product allow him? Okay, where? If let me ask you a question. All this while now they'll be going front and back. Even before you came back from the city to this village, your stomach was still empty. Did you not see my child? Did you see my daughter? Were you the one that killed my child? You killed my daughter. Which? Amusota. Which? Your generation.
It's okay. As someone after all, it is a fault. How do you expect her to keep quiet when you are trying by every means necessary to snatch her husband? This is an issue. In fact, tell them what he was saying so that we will leave here. What kind of insult is this?
Asanwa.
Sir, that's my name.
The Igwe has commanded that you should give your son to Anayo.
That is what our Igwe said.
To allow him face his family.
Simple.
That is his instruction.
Go back to that your Igwe. I'm not Igwe. No sense. See, I'm more about someone. Now, that I will not give my child 1.9 months. When you milala, when you put for my waist, I will not give it to him.
Then you take him. Buriana Bano, take him and go. Carry him and go. Who wants him? Onya Choraya. He does not want him. You are forcing him on him. He does not want him. Akuna.
Okay, it's your not here. Let me just add to what my niece just said. There is no way you expect her to give her child to Anayo that has not paid any dowry on her. It is not done anywhere. I cannot live to see that or support it.
It is obvious. It is obvious that you are the one that is sponsoring this fight.
What is there to fight for here? What are we fighting for here now? It is Anayo here who is engineering the fight, firing the fight, and encouraging the fight. Here.
Ichie, Biko, I don't like this thing. Stop saying this thing now. How am I engineering the fight? Eh? So the wrong thing I did is that I'm close to the woman that gave birth to my son. Eh? If I'm not close to her, you will still be the one to go around the village to tell everyone that I got your niece pregnant without even minding to take care of her and the son. It's not an insult. I'm just telling him. It's not that I'm insulting him.
Please, guy, you are expressing your anger. Anyway, there is no way you will expect to give her son. Then marry her.
Marry her to where? Baby, this house. I will kill her. Mboya, I will kill you. I will kill you. This house. Marry you to where? Marry you to this house. Hey, it's all the one. It's all the one. Onyara.
Because this thing is giving me stress. I'm on my press to take care of. White. Because with all due respect, wherever you're king, that I will not give my son to anybody. And as for you and I, if you still want to miss this altar, open your milkshake. If you know where to meet me. You pay my dowry, get married to me, make a bill for now, concentrate on this one. Even when they make it of West, you won't allow. You understand me? You also without due respect. Also, okay. Also, nonsense. No, you walk. We're not going to come out for you. Fake organic product.
This is the insult of the first class. Don't worry.
My elders, Biko, no now. So I believe you people heard what she said now when she stood up. She said you should tell the Igwe that she will not. You no need to remind you. Heard everything. So please just do exactly what she said.
But where are you making a? But I your woman are buying cake for woman and to pass. If I never quite. Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Where are you going to make it? Hey! Where are you going to? God. Woman are back. A woman and to pass. No, do not everything like that. You're going to. My husband. We are not done with this. No problem. You come back and meet me. Go, you come back. We come back here. I'm waiting for you now. You have seen him now.
You see, I saw.
Is that one a man or a woman?
I want to give him beautiful woman.
Hey! So you
My love, please.
Don't talk to me. Don't.
Please, my love. You know, I've come to love you. Not only because of our child. I love you.
You love me. I have never been humiliated like this in my life. Enough is enough. This ends today. So they want me to give you my child. They want me to just carry my baby and just give you like that. Is that how it's been done in your place? I'd rather kill that boy and kill myself.
No.
I swear!
No. You cannot possibly do that now. Mind what you say. You can't do such a thing.
What is their business? That means your kids were they there?
They were not there. Were they there? They were not there.
But you cannot pay dowry. Now, I don't know but you cannot pay dowry.
My love, stop saying this. Away from me. I will pay your bride price, if not because of my mother's burial. I will pay.
See my mother's burial at my foot. Listen to me. You better act fast. If you're not dowry, you better start doing it fast. If not, I will leave for the city with my son. I am done with this nonsense. Enough is enough.
No, I will.
I don't care. Don't do it immediately. That's what can become.
Somebody property. You see someone say now you're on somebody husband. You carry on say now you're on and the talk you the fight. You say now you're on property.
Mrs. Socha.
There is no offer for you today. Or one driver for you today. Just go.
I love my nurse, yo. When we are doing it, we are not there. It's just me and you that. I'm here. I'm here till you change your mind, though. I'm here till you change your mind, though.
I will deal with your brother's daughter. Imagine the way she walked out of us. Imagine.
You will not do anything to her. What has she done to you? What can I know, Kenya? Say the truth. You are an elderly man. Say the truth to all of us.
Ichibe, is this what you say with your mouth? Don't worry. Your daughter Amoge will have this problem of having now. She will have it. Don't worry. Another girl will drag her husband with her. You got fear. Evil man.
Okay. As long as my daughter will give her husband whatever he needs, no woman will drag her husband with her.
Ichebe, you will not die well. Okay, now Luluana, I got in our warfare. Get up and go! Get up before I use this bottle to shave this your scattered beard.
Look, go and look for your own husband.
Your sickle cell of a daughter should go and marry first. Your sickle cell of a daughter should go and marry first.
Animal.
One answer for me, one answer for me. I am going to kill that girl. I will kill her in this village. Hey!
What are we going to do?
I will get back to the Igwe. I'm not happy at all with that girl's behavior.
I'm not happy.
Yes, she will see another side of our Igwe. Mazi, let's go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
No, okay, enough. No one mother or the organ.
You see someone? She's dead and gone. She should choose her mortuary. She should choose her mortuary. Because I will kill her.
Ichi, what have I done? No, tell me, why are they attacking me?
I don't care. I've said what they need to know. You will not give out your son. Just like that. Mbano.
Ichi, please. Please. Oh, I will alone why you. There is no problem here. I have said I will pay her bride price after my mother's burial. That I must do.
That's your business. I have said what I said. They now look at her as someone as if she's the bad one here.
Chimo, Ichi, thank you for standing by me. Thank you so much. Anayo, I don't need to remind you how this started. How we became close and what led to this. Do I need to remind you?
No. You're welcome. You're welcome, bro. Hey! Chineke. What kind of fire is this? So you people are now back to square one? Hey!
Mama, you should even go and buy fowl and go give Thanksgiving. That we are still alive till today. I'm back to you. It was not a small thing, no.
Well, it's not the end of the world. The main thing is that it has happened. So I just have to rise again, start all over.
Brother, you are a vibrant young man, and you will definitely stand to your feet again.
How are you? Mama. Hey, Mama, I heard what happened. I even saw them when they passed my shop, so I decided to come and say sorry.
Someone you have seen you. Look at what fire has done to my children. They are not back to the village.
Mama, you should be thanking God that they are even alive, that they survived the fire outbreak. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Oh, Anayo, sorry, sorry. Our wife, sorry. Oh, Mama, let me go back to my shop. Sorry.
When you can just another woman, no hobby. You just see, not fighting every day. I see. Cha-cha-cha, idikwanikogo. Yeah, ikelajinume. Cause now so fighting go they come over your way. Every day now every day now I cha-cha, brother, sister, again in the national. Mama, papa, again in the national.
Someone.
Oh, Alayo.
Is this where you stay?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. You have really nice designers, so you sew very well, oh.
Yes, so.
You're a good designer, oh.
It's God, oh, by God's grace. It's not by my power. Maybe you need to come and pick up some things for your wife. That's if you know her size.
Of course, I know her size, but you know there is no money now. You know how things are now.
No worry, you have money. There will be money. Yeah?
Sure.
So, where are you going to? This ceremony?
I'm going to that woman that sells yam at that boho to know if I will buy yam.
Yam? This ceremony?
Of course, this morning now. Actually, there's red oil at home, so I want to know if we use the yam and no one at home.
Meanwhile, first of all, I'll bring some clothes for your wife to destroy. I'm sure she will like 1 or 2 of them. I have a lot of them inside.
And then second of all, you have to follow me to my house. I'll give you yam. You don't need to go and spend that money on yam. Open yam, kitchen, so yam. I have yam. Just hold on.
Asanwa. So you're still this nice. But who will look after your shop now?
My girls, they will come and do it. Let's go. Come, let's go. I'll keep yam. Let's go. Manage this.
Asanwa, is this not too much? If you give me this one, which one will you people now eat?
Don't able people. It's just me and my younger sister now. Or didn't you hear that my mother died last year?
I heard though, but this is too much now.
It's not too much. Nothing is too much for you and I. It's not much. It's just 4 tubers of yam.
Thank you very much. You're making money in this village, yo.
My dear, we thank God. At least I now sell people's clothes and then some students' uniform. That way I'm able to make some money.
So girl, you sew students'
uniform. If I'm not a drop man.
Nah, this life is somehow. Can you imagine a beautiful girl like you is doing all these things to make money? In this village, why some people are in the city struggling how to eat?
My dear, it's God. You know, I don't pay for rent here. It's just my shop that I pay. How much? 20,000. I make it in less than a month. So it's not a problem to me. I make money. It's by God's grace.
Chai. This is so child. You know it would have been both of us if not for...
Anayo, please don't talk about it. Don't even remind me of it. You just ruin my mood. Please.
Okay, no problems. I just wanted to remind you.
Don't remind me. Thank you.
Okay, let me run along and show them,
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Enjoy. And you know, since you're back now with your wife, all you need to do is team up. You understand? Team up in love. Think of what to do that will yield money for you guys. Before you know it, you make money and go back to the city. You know, go.
Somebody property. You say someone say now your own. Somebody husband. You carry him say now your own. I am the talk you the fight. You say now your own property. When trouble go come, make you go run. What do you go see?
So you like it to bring out your. Then this is just normal. It's not that long, you see.
You mean you make this ready to wear outfits?
I do, and lots more.
She is so good at what she does. Just that she's so expensive. Not everyone can afford her.
What do you expect? Anything nice should be expensive. Should it be cheap before?
Then this one, in case you have occasions. You can wear it. All eyes will be on you. This material is quite expensive.
Go and call your brother. Let's see if you buy them for him. I know he doesn't have money for now.
Asanwa.
Anayo.
You're here?
Yes, so I actually brought some clothes for your wife to choose. I mean, I need her to check out some of my clothes.
Just to check out, Abby?
You can actually buy one for her. She's your wife, remember?
Baby, I like this so. It's not as if I don't like the others, but I can manage these two for now.
Oh, okay. So how much is it?
Each one is 7,000 naira. It's not that much.
7,000 naira?
Is it much?
Not really.
Okay, you know what? Just pick anyone that you like. Just pick. Choose the two that you like. These two. You can have these two. I'll give you this. You can pay later whenever you have money. While I go back with this one.
I don't understand.
These two, I am giving it to you as a gift from me to you. Yes. And then you can pay for this later.
Ha! Asanwe again.
Hey! Thank you. Ezigbo Madu. You're a good woman.
Thank you. This is nothing now. It's nothing.
Hey, God bless you for me. God bless you.
Anayo and I were very good friends back in those days. He used to be very nice to me. This is my only way of paying back for his niceness.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you very much. You're a good woman.
Thank you.
Hey! So I have to get going. My girls are waiting for me in the shop.
Thank you.
Anayo, take care of your wife.
You are such a wonderful person.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So fine. You did not tell me you still have good people like this in this village.
Ha! Emmanuel Marasanwa. This girl has been good to me from day one. Yeah? Very generous person.
That's you what? Give you what? Don't they bigger than me? Hey, baby, by the time I wear this one, you will start toasting me again. You got chwa mozo.
Ayo, ayo.
Everywhere they Mbwari was the hey Mbwari. Oh! Shari what? It's not your size. You are bigger than me. Anayo, what is it? Okay.
It's my wife.
Why are you running? What happened?
My wife.
What happened to your wife?
You know, when we were in the city, she had a very dangerous miscarriage. So since then, the thing has been disturbing her. So the doctors advised her she needs to do another operation if we want her to have a baby again. So right now, the thing has started again. The hospital will rush her now. They demanded for money, 90,000.
Hey, 90,000.
Exactly.
So 90,000.
I have 30,000. Mama promised to give me 10,000. I'm actually rushing to meet Ojuku. He promised to give me 20,000.
It's okay. You don't need to wait for those people. See, I have. This is 20,000 naira. I have cash here. Take. You have to follow me to the community bank. I will withdraw the rest and give you. Stop running around because her life is important. I want them to lock the shop.
Thank you. Let me help you unlock it.
Just sleep it. Let's go.
Sister, what I'm saying is that you're doing too much for them. It's too much.
I am not doing too much. Nothing is too much for Anayo. Have you forgotten how kind and nice Anayo was back in those days? Even our secondary school time, remember? Those times he used to carry me his bicycle.
Okay, so what happened? He's so kind and all that. What happened? Why did Anayo not get married to you?
Because we are not meant to be together. That's what it is. And besides, if you want to help people, you help them. Stop thinking about the past or giving them conditions just because you have it. It doesn't make sense.
Okay. I'm only concerned about you, sister. Because very soon this whole thing will turn against you. You know how women is. Very, very soon, Anayo's wife will start thinking like the average African woman.
No, she won't. I mean, she looks exposed. She won't. As a matter of fact, she should be taking God every day for me. I've been feeding her. I'm like a mini God. What if I didn't have her?
They will still have survived. Are you the only person in this village? After all, she has a family. Let her go back to her family and ask for help. You should not kill my sister with beg.
I'm not complaining.
Sister, if they go back to the city tomorrow, they will not remember you. You're just wasting your time.
No problem. Am I complaining? God gave me so I can give people.
You are doing too much.
I'm not complaining.
You are doing too much.
The money that I'm taking by myself. You're still telling me how to spend the money.
When trouble go come make you go run. What you go see? Wahala, you go see. Na trouble you go see. Wahala, you go see. When you go chase another woman, no.
That's someone. Hey, Mama. Oh, God will bless you. Amen. Thank you so much. Amen.
Thank you so much. How do I pay you back?
You don't need to pay me back. I'm just paying back Anna, you're here for the good old days. Yes, Mama, you remember those days now you used to carry me on your bicycle to school in Ugunko. And Mama, guess what? Because he was my senior, even if I come late, they will not flog me. So I'm paying him back.
And that was why I gave you the name Bisi Socha. So you still remember?
I still remember. I cannot forget.
Ha!
Hey. Imela, thank you so much.
She needs to be taking milk and tea every morning to help her recover fast. I bought it for you. I even bought the juice. If you look at it, there are two of it. Anayo, I have to be on my way. Mama, I have to.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Mama. She tried.
Very well.
That's beautiful.
Very well. Sorry.
Hey, what?
Sister.
Easy.
You have to visit the chemist. This blood is too much.
It's too painful. I can't walk now. Are you going to carry me to the chemist?
Yeah, let me try now.
No. Don't. It's too painful.
What happened?
Baby.
Sorry. What happened?
She got injured by a nail.
Nail?
Sorry.
What were you doing?
I was trying to fix the bathroom door.
Oh my God. Okay, let me take you to the chemist. Let me take you to the... Sorry. Okay. Hold it. Let's go. Sorry. Don't match it.
Wait, easy. Sorry. Slippers.
You say someone say now you're on somebody husband. You carry on say now you're on and they talk with the fight. You say now you're on property.
What is happening here?
Bottle shook her on her spinal cord down here.
He bottle took her on her spinal cord down here. Is that why she carry her? Anayo?
No, we went to the chemist shop to treat her. So me, I'm taking her home like this.
Anayo, so if you're not in this village, can I find a way to come, Mr. Where?
It's just her leg is paining her. So me, I want...
Okay, calm down. Bring her down. I say you should come down.
Sorry, it's her leg. Let me just drop her now.
Anayo, drop her. Drop her. Why would you say when I see you put out of you like this? Wait, let me come down. Come down in peace. Hey. My leg hurts.
You see, it's not fair. She's limping.
Eyes.
No, sorry. Chai. No. You can find a way to the chemist. It's not far.
No, we've gone to chemist's house that I'm taking her. I'm taking her home.
Okay, home. When your house is not far again, okay? You can find your way home, no?
Ndo.
Wetin you go say? Na trouble you go say. When you can chase another woman, no hobby. Wetin you go say? Na fighting every day. Che, idikwanikogo. Yeah, ikelajinume. Cause now so fighting go they come over your way.
Do you know what I went through for J-Boy? Do you know the sacrifices I made for him? I sold almost everything. I did everything possible to make sure that this J-Boy, this particular guy goes abroad. Just for him to better his life. What do I get in return?
Of course, I heard of you and J-Boy. Even when I came back to the village, I wanted to ask you, but it just escaped my mind. Why now?
It's so painful.
That is wickedness. After everything.
The most painful part is that he has never called me. I've never heard from him. It's so painful, Anayo. That's why it's hard to trust me. After everything I did for him, this is the only way he can pay me back.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's not the end of the world.
Okay?
Hey. Let's go. No, don't do that. You don't have to cry now. Is he the only man? It's okay. He doesn't deserve you. Ozugo now. Stop this thing. Stop crying. Okay.
What is going on here? Anayo, I have been going everywhere looking for you.
It's not what you think, oh.
Then it's what? It's not what I think,
Someone was talking about J-Boy, so
What is someone J-Boy?
What is that?
What he's trying to say is that you
He's trying to say what I saw clearly as someone who knows of me.
No, you're misunderstanding.
So this is your plan?
What plan are you?
Okay! I understand it now. This is why you bring Gringa gifts to us, okay? Your useless gift is to snatch my man from me. Oh, my man.
He's not. I was just trying. Can you stop this thing now?
You pop him now. Show me your back.
Of course, me, I'm already going. It's just to
start going.
What is all of this?
I think it's not going. As for you, I don't want to see you anywhere. Cause my husband again. Nonsense. Oh. You're going close again.
Let's go.
In Naija also. Try it again. Enough for you. Is it not enough for you? Anayo, shame on you. Shame on you. So this is why I take it from you, okay? Gift, Anayo. It will end today. It will end today, Anayo.
Stop this thing now.
Stop it.
You're taking it too far. I just went there to return the money I borrowed from her. That's all. That's all.
Oh yeah.
But brother, I thought you said she asked you not to.
Same thing I thought too. But she called me that she needs money. She wants to go to the market.
Anna, you're listening to me. I am not a fool. I am not a fool. Cha. It will end today. Don't collect anything from her again, Anna, I am warning you.
I can't see Jay.
I'll kiss you, Jay.
I'm telling you the truth. That's the same.
Our wife.
Who is our wife?
I came to explain something to you. It's not what you think, See, I was crying for something else. It was not about me.
So, if you are crying, he should hold you like this. This is how he should console you, Asamu, listen to me. I have heard your gist with him, I have heard it. I've heard about your meandering in this village with him. And I know you still have an eye on him, you still want him. But it will not happen. I will not allow you to have my man off my dead body. You will not do it. I will not.
Anna, you talk now.
It's what I've been telling them here, that I came to give you the money I borrowed from you. Is it not you that called me?
Take it! Well, take it, I don't need it again. Go out!
What's your problem now? You're taking this too far.
Which far now? Which far? So, I should wait until you enter the You want to enter the way? Oh, my man! I will not allow it to happen. I take it out!
I saw these clothes for you.
Go! Go! Sibapwa! Nonsense!
Let me just go inside.
Retire and shower!
Nonsense! Return the money someone gave. Did she do bad in borrowing me money? And return it is a problem. You're taking this too far. I told you that I just returned the money.
How can you slap? I will slap you.
Was that why you want to carry her on your back?
What is if I slap you, you will change color, so I'm not here. If I slap you, you change color.
Don't say that. Eh? Why will Akudo treat her like that? She only came there to explain herself.
My dear, if for Akudo, you see Akudo. Obayalia too much. Anapumianayo. If she misbehaves one more time, I will take Anayo away from her. Hey. And she will do nothing about it.
Sister, please don't do that. You know, we don't have parents that will fight for us. Please.
Don't talk that way. Eh? Don't allow Akudo to insult her like that. When she was doing everything for her, Ebeka Akudo no. Eh?
You know the painful part. The painful part is that since they came back to this village, I've been the one favoring them. I've given them almost eventually everything that they need. Oh. So this is the right way for her to pay me back. I will so deal with her. Hey.
It's J-Boy I blame. If he had returned and gotten married to you, all of this will not happen.
You know I'm not Kojo.
Nah, happy, yeah.
Just shut up.
Biko.
Just keep quiet. Keep mute.
Sister, I don't want.
Shut up!
No. Let's go and face that woman.
What's
not
your
her.
own? Why you making everything hot?
I beg. Agawa.
Mama, I want you to judge this matter. Don't side anyone.
I am not siding anybody. All I know is that Akudoge is fighting for her rights. Oh.
But we don't have anything in common. We're just friends. Nothing at all.
It's okay. She's only trying to prevent future occurrence. Biko,
what are we even saying? Mama, you needed to have seen the way they were holding hands. And you want me to believe nothing is going on? In that case, she should keep her help. Oh. We don't need her help. Let her stay on her own.
Which one is keep her help? Are you the one to tell me who to get help from? Eh? If you don't want her to help me, then you bring someone that will be helping me. Or the yam she gave me the other day, didn't you eat it?
Me?
What was me?
Did I eat the yam?
What was me?
I can't remember eating the yam.
You can't remember.
Mama, did I eat that yam?
Don't tell me that one, no. We are just friends, nothing. Nothing. Mama, you know now.
Friends,
why is she
friends that hug each other like this.
Brother, it's okay.
Friends that cuddle.
It's okay.
Mama, as is now it means you're taking sides.
I don't know what to believe again. Listen to me. You will not get anywhere with my You're not going anywhere with my I paid last month.
Leave us.
You did not give me any receipt.
Leave the
This month you want to collect money. You cannot go with my stuff.
Leave the West.
Where is my receipt? Where is the receipt? Can I have it? Where is it?
Pay your money.
Drop the dummy.
Leave the West.
All the way.
Asawa.
Today we will get wasted.
Asawa, pay your money. Leave me alone. If you don't leave me now, if you move here now, we'll come back with police.
What's not police?
If you move here now, we'll come back with police.
Asawa, remember
government my foot. Now today you speaking for back. Drop my thing for me.
Asawa,
you want peace for me. I will not leave this West.
Leave the West.
You will not West State today. I will not leave this West. What happened on that one? Drop my dummy for me because.
What's going on here? What happened?
Tell her to give us our money.
You never give me the money. I paid for local government revenue last month. They don't give me receipt. This month again, they've gone to collect another money without giving me receipt. Do I have any receipt to give me?
Bro, bring it down first. Bring it down first. Wait first. Easy.
Drop the dummy because.
Drop the dummy first. You go spoil the clothes now.
Drop the dummy. You must drop it.
One drop go the dummy.
Tell her to give us our money.
Tell her
to give us our money.
How much is the money?
Only 1,500 naira. Only.
Only I wasting our time.
Only. But you cannot pay for it. You cannot pay for it. Only.
She will give us.
You want to be doing that for the rest of your life?
You don't do it. I want to hear joke okay? Peace is everything. Just wait. Drop the dummy first.
Tell her to give us our money.
Before you drop on
yes, now.
The free energy can drop this dummy. Now I will get you in out of the
It's okay.
Drop my dummy.
It's okay. Wait, see the 1,500, but bring receipt.
Young man, if you want to pay, you pay. We don't have any receipt to give to her.
I don't understand.
Wait.
You said if I will pay, you will not give me receipt. What do you mean if I want to pay?
That is how we operate.
Give us our money. Wait, guy, wait. I need to pay, and you bring receipt.
Young man, if you want to pay, you pay. We don't have any receipt to give to you.
So tomorrow you still come back and say she has.
I see your business.
Which one is I see my business?
I see your business.
It's like if we are your people in this. You are cheating. So I will just give you money without payment.
Iron! Deal with this man. Deal with this man.
I'm saying your own. I am the talk with the fight. You say now your own property. When trouble go come, make you go run. Wait till you go see. You go see. No trouble you go see. You go see. When you can just another woman, what till you go see. Not fighting every day. What happened to you?
I had an accident though.
Brother, where and when?
Is it not one stupid bike man? No? I don't know if he smoked bitter leaf. I was just walking on my own lane. No? The stupid man left his lane and just came right where I was and hit me. I even fell inside the gutter. If not for passerbys that saw me inside and recognized me, that's how erosion will carry me and go.
Anayo, are you sure about this?
Which one am I sure? Go and ask people now. If not from the people I'm very good to, that's how water will carry me and go.
Water has not started carrying you, Anaya.
Brother, thank God for your life. Oh. Thank God it was only erosion, no bro hurricane, no earthquake. Brother, what will you gain from telling all these lies?
I don't know.
Brother, what will you gain from telling all these lies? We are all in this village, and you know how news fly about. Brother Nayo, what were you doing at Asanwa's shop when you fought with the revenue boys?
Me fought with revenue boys.
You fought with barristers, or you think we did not hear it?
Hey! Anayo! You and Asanwa are daring me, oh! You are daring me! I will do something, Anayo! Don't say I don't want you, Anayo! Don't say I don't want you!
Don't stop this shouting, your shout. Which one is you?
Why would I shout? Rescue mission! Eh? Why would I shout?
So were you expecting me to leave her? Why those stupid boys were intimidating her?
Rescue mission! Why are you lying? Why were you lying just
because
now?
I don't want your trouble, just like what you're doing now. You're shouting. It's because I don't want it.
I've turned to Onyan Sobu.
I could have stopped this thing you're doing. No. Stop it. Stop it.
Anayo, I'm warning you. Ijoma, give me food.
I don't need your food. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So you not eat outside? Anayo, Kebi Naga. So you not eat outside? You not eat outside, Anayo? Ijoma, put your mouth here.
I've collected enough.
Hey!
We did not beat you.
Asanwa, you will hear my voice in this village. Anayo,
look at how he's walking. Look at how he's walking. How could you go here? Brother!
Every day now.
Is Anaya around? I want to see Anaya. Anayo. Our wife. Good morning.
Madam, have you come to see a secret lover? Have you come to see a secret lover? I'm asking you.
What are you talking about? What is wrong with both of you this morning? She's been sounding the way she's been behaving to her, and now you are out. Where's all this negativity is coming from?
What is what? Oh, you think I don't know the difference between come and eat and do you have food? Leave my husband alone, no, Asanwa. Leave my husband alone, Asanwa. Leave me alone. Take your things and go, we don't need it. Snap, what?
Anayo, I brought something for you. I don't know.
Tibapwa, get out! Leave this place!
You see this thing you're looking for? You will still get it from me.
You say what?
And when you get it, don't blame me.
Man, what did you just say now?
See this thing you're looking
Try
for?
me! Nonsense! Akunike! Mama, what? Let's go!
Asanwa, baby, please. All I need from you is nothing but your attention. Baby, I know I don't have money, but I will show you good love. I mean, sweet loving, like Whiskey. Just give me the opportunity.
Okay, no, buchie, aboromaso. But here I'm not some nero. Some we lunch. When question neighbor say just to now from him off just Zuru put no some nona. You won't like if you about whiskey. What are you calling whiskey name for? Are you like whiskey? You whiskey Diego. What do you have there? Why would you? What do you want to get married? Am I your mate? Like what?
Baby, I will make money one day. Just give me the opportunity to
make money. Charity begins at home. You don't even have 1 naira inside this pot. So why is money used to marry me?
Make money.
Let's come now, also.
Wait. It's a lie, It's a lie. You must agree, Hey! You must agree, Asamoah. Hold her well. Asamoah, you must accept him. If it's my husband you want him, he's a man with wife and kids, you want him. Where?
Are you really that jobless?
See this handsome looking man that has come for you, don't want him. Peter,
Akudo. So is it nothing to be at home? You are busy following people up and down. Are you that jobless?
Hold her.
You know, Sarah.
What will you do? I'm asking you, what will you do? Peter, go to her.
There's no. Akudo, wait now. It's not fair now. Stop insulting her now. This is not doing is no good. It's not. She's my future wife now. She's my future wife.
See what happened.
Calm down, baby, please.
Okay,
I need you back.
Please. Follow her.
Asamoah, I'll make money one day. Don't worry. Remember, no one knows tomorrow. I will make big money. Don't worry, you come for me.
What thing you go see? Wahala, you go see. No trouble, you go see. Wahala, you go see. When you can just another woman,
I heard what happened though. Please, I'm deeply sorry. Don't let it get to you. Okay?
Listen, your wife is playing with fire. If Rakudo, Omaro no kuna bozala koje. I will burn her. I will set her ablaze.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay, Biko. Oh.
Okay. It's all right. But one thing is for sure. One thing that Akudo does not know that the more she tries to fight, in fact, the more she fights me, is the more I have feelings for you.
Exactly what you don't understand.
Yeah, but where you go, before we take away from her, let her just respect herself.
Exactly my thoughts. I've been telling them the same thing. The more they are pushing me away from you, the more I have feelings for you.
Excuse me? Feelings for whom?
No, I said the more they are fighting, I shouldn't talk to you, I shouldn't do this one. The more I'm getting used to you. That's what I mean.
Please don't have feelings for me. Just leave me.
Which one is I should not have feelings for you?
Leave me. I don't like the way you're touching me because
it's okay. You know you're beautiful.
Leave me now. Nah, you leave me. I'm tired.
Mrs. Ocham.
I don't like the way you're holding me. See people are Wait.
Why your sister? Stay quiet.
I'm not a good though. Tell your wife to respect herself. Let her respect herself. I'm not papa.
Asanwamo. Mrs. Ocham.
Hey. Okay. Okay, please come on.
Sister.
help me go to Okonkwo's house. I didn't know my cream has finished. Let him give you the cream I gave him money to buy for me in Onitsha. Check if he's back. Oh, okay, sir. Hurry. Oh, cream now. Hey. Oh, get wrong. Obi.
Sam, what is it?
I just finished bathing. I didn't know my cream had finished. I just asked Toby to go to Okonkwo's house to get me the cream that I asked him to buy for me in Onitsha the other day.
So there's nothing in this one.
There's nothing again.
You can still get something from it now before she comes. Use your mouth.
Hey!
Yeah, now. At least this one will rub some places before she comes.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me help you rub your back. Again, I feel you've grown to be a very beautiful woman.
Wait, stop.
Let me rub the down layer.
No, just the upper part is okay. Thank you.
It's me. Let me rub
Hey, I said I'm okay now. I'm okay. Just stop. People are passing now. Stop it. This is outside.
Let's go inside. I'll rub it everywhere that will cause obstacle. I'll rub it for you. Huh?
Don't rub. I cannot go inside with you. I'm ovulating.
Let's go and ovulate together.
Ovulation is not meant for guys now. It's for me.
Let's go.
Wait. No, wait. No. Hi. Wait now. Wait. You'll be pregnant.
It's me that will rub
So fighting go they come over your way. Every day now, every day now, I brother, sister, again and then Mama, Papa.
What is it? You sounded so urgent on the phone.
How can I be okay? I told you, Daddy, not to do this thing. I told you. You refused. You insisted. Now I am pregnant too. I'm pregnant.
You say?
You heard me or something you say?
I did not hear you well. What did you say now?
I said I am pregnant.
What is pregnant?
The thing that you put inside has... In fact, it's time for you to germinate it. I am pregnant. I'm just coming from the hospital. Doctor confirmed that I am pregnant. I even saw your wife there.
Hey! Come on.
Okay.
Come on. Yes, my wife, Akudo, the one that I married, she also told me that she's pregnant. She also says she's pregnant.
Hey! On your way. You be tofu. Since when did you start stammering? Listen. If you're thinking about me aborting this pregnancy, you must be dreaming. Because I will not. I won't.
Asaman, what I'm trying to say now, but my wife, Akudo, is pregnant.
Okay.
That's what she said as she returned from the hospital.
Okay.
So she cannot be pregnant and you're also pregnant. It's not the league of pregnant women. Please, I'm only saying you abort. I know it's the best.
Liaison. So you want me to abort this pregnancy? You want me to die? No, I will not reduce my voice. Listen to me. I cannot do any other abortion. I've done 7 abortions for J-Boy. And the doctor said if I do one more, I won't be able to have a child. This one I managed to enter, I will not remove it. I won't bring it down. When you were doing it inside there, did you bring it down?
Okay, so what are we going to do since it's like this?
What you at home?
Abortion is...
No, wait, it's not what you at home will do. Me and you. I don't understand. Am I the one that impregnated 2 women? It's just you. Now sort it out by yourself. Don't piss me off at all. I will not remove this pregnancy. I will not. When you were doing it, I told you not to do it. You refused. You went straight to the point. You did it. I told you I was ovulating. Say let us ovulate together. Now it's time for us to ovulate together and have a baby. You are telling me to abort it. For what? For what? No, tell me. Listen, I don't care if you cry out blood. I'm not the one that impregnated 2 women. Go and sort yourself out with yourself. In fact, as a matter of fact, I bought your scrotum. I bought your Akbaramuge. You may have bought a Bamuge, you may have bought it.
Every day now, every day now, my brother, sister,
Are you serious? Anna, you're in trouble.
Very big trouble. Very
deep trouble. Chineke. So people will still enter this kind of trouble in this life. So what are you going to do now?
I don't know. That's the problem. I've even told her to abort it, but she refused.
You are still talking about abortion. People has given their life to Christ. It's reminding me of you.
Bring down your voice.
Hey!
Which one is hey? Were you not the one telling me everybody did it? Everybody did it. Why are you now shouting? Eh? Why is it surprising to you? You used to think of how we sort the whole thing.
So Asama is pregnant for you.
Guinea! What did I just hear? Hey!
No, we are talking. Hey! No. You did not hear well.
Anayo?
Eh? No, we were talking about the Juventus and Manchester. And
Juventus to Chogano there.
Fenerbahce.
Juventus to Chogano.
Fenerbahce won.
Nobody knows tomorrow.
Yes.
Tomorrow is pregnant.
Tomorrow is pregnant.
We are
talking about Juventus and Fenerbahce.
No. No.
Hey! Tomorrow is pregnant.
Ojuku, you are part of my problem in this village, Ojuku. Ojuku will kill you, Ojuku.
Edinburgh and Manchester.
You have killed me. I will kill her today.
Have you seen what you've caused? I told you bring down your voice.
I was trying to bring down my voice. I was tuning it down. But the thing was free will. It was turning round. Refused to stop. Hey, you have to go after her before she will kill her someone. Go. You people should go. Hey, whoa, pregnancy. Hey, I have given my life to Christ. If not, I would have aborted myself. Hey, they will not count me.
Sister, have you seen it? I told you. So what are you going to do now?
You told me what? Second of all, what do you think I should do? I beg, just leave me alone. There's nothing to do. I've already told him. He has to come and marry me.
Hey, sister, no. It's not a good one. What if his wife finds out about it?
What stupid wife are you talking
sister,
about?
you know there will be war.
I heard it. I heard it. Asama, you see this pregnancy? You must abort it today. You must abort this pregnancy today, Asama.
What are you talking about?
So this is your plan. You got pregnant my husband.
Stop. Kudo. Don't forget you're pregnant.
You're not pregnant. If you can't let me cook,
Kudo, step. Sit quiet.
You will give it to them. Anna, you will give it to them. What did I do to you?
Take her inside.
For this one.
Go inside. Kudo. Kudo, listen to me. No.
You will kill me. You will kill me today. So this is what you have been doing. Oh!
It was a mistake.
It
was a mistake.
Brother, it's a lie. This was never a mistake. We forewarned you, but you didn't listen. And I
causing them get back to you. Hey! When you get me, you see that girl, she must abort that pregnancy. Yes. She must abort that baby. Yes. And you will kill me. And you will come. Let me
Anayo,
Why would you like to bring problem in your own family, Anayo? Tell me.
Ichie, the deed has been done. Okay, I mean, it was a mistake.
Mistake?
It was a mistake.
It's a mistake of where? It's a mistake.
It's a mistake. Huh? Ichie or not? I won't take this anymore. This woman has been fighting Asanwa, my brother's daughter. Why should she hit her on her tummy? Knowing full well that she is pregnant. Does she want to kill her and the child in the womb?
You have not seen war. You have not seen war. Better tell this fake organic product to leave my husband alone, else I will kill her.
Okay, you can't just be hitting her on the womb like that. You do no such thing. You commit murder.
She will be forced to abort this pregnancy. Tell her.
Huh? Was she the one that gave herself pregnancy?
I don't know me, man. I don't know me, my chacha, but that pregnancy must go.
Shut up! Woman, how dare you utter such words in my presence?
Sorry, sir.
Why? How? What is this?
Ichie or not here? You are hearing them. Eh? You are hearing them. If anything happens to Asanwa, I will take Anayo and his family to the shrine of Obuboji.
Go see a bear. Eh? Go see a bear with a young Gabaroka. Go see a bear.
Ichie, I am glad that you have heard the rubbish, the utterances that is coming out from her mouth. Ichie, one how? One Akudo don't think she's mad. She's not mad though. Some people are mad. She has been looking for my trouble all this while. Oh. I've just been watching her. See, Anna, you're your wife. Let her just respect herself and stay on her own. If I start my own, this village will not contain us.
Look at her. So you say I'm mad to talk of her? You stay her.
Yeah, Anna, hold her down. Sit down here.
Akudo. Yeah. Anayo. Hold your dog.
What is this? Call woman of Abwenu. I have heard that you are very stubborn.
Oh, they told you?
Yes.
They told you right.
But
news.
But I will place you where you belong. Are you mad?
I'm gonna need you chair. Come on, Let me shut up.
What has gone wrong with you?
I don't know.
Anayo, please take your wife out of this place now. She cannot be here with us. Take her away.
It's okay. I'm sorry for her actions. We all are here for peace. So.
I'm not here for peace. I'm here for peace. Peace in there, bear.
Please don't mind what she's saying. Okay, Biko. Let's look for the way forward. The deed has been done.
Now, to the main issue. Tell us here now the plans you have for Asanwa. Let us know.
Diche, thank you. You see, I'll be a very wicked man if I abandon Asanwa at this condition. Okay, so I want to let you people know that I am going to take up the responsibility of taking care of her.
Okay, you're not just going to take care of me, Biko. Stop sounding as if you're doing me a favor. My child will not be a fatherless child. Do you understand me? You have to do the proper things you're supposed to do.
That's the same thing.
Do it immediately, because
I will take care of her and my unborn child.
You want them to marry you? You want him to marry you to which house? My house? Ulonyara, I will eat you. Marry the doggy. And then doggy, man, for. Marry you to where? My house. Jiroku. You know what? I'm out of here. Anaya, come back.
Come and stay back and be ranting now.
What?
Imagine. Look at the kind of woman you've been living with.
Is that how she behaves? What is this? A tiger in human flesh.
Hey!
Oh, Asanwa! That's why I want to drag my own with me. You want to drag my husband with you?
Let me ask you a question.
Shameless woman.
Leave me alone.
Nonsense. Shameless woman. I'm talking to you. Come back here, Sam. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Let me tell you, you will not live to give birth to this child. You will not live to see this child. You will die. This child will die. Two of you will die.
Akudo, it is you that will die in the labor room. Wait, let me tell you something you don't know, Akudo. The day you will put spec to this thing you now for, nurse that will give birth to you. Okay, the placenta will be a shredded now Chinese chili sauce. We will rather the one bear and obey me, obey we get. You want Yara? Why gamu? It is you and your child that will die in the labor room. Are you mad?
Enough, are you crazy? Come walk here, I'm moving. What is even wrong with you? I said, walking again. You need to slap me. Before I get coming again, you need to slap me. Naija, no, are you mad? Yeah. Choose your match. I will personally use I will make it. Choose your match. Yeah. Hey! Madam. What's good? Why are you running?
Do you want to lose your child?
Lose my child? God forbid. Lose my child? Because of you, that shameless girl? God forbid, never, Anayo.
What did you say?
You heard me. You heard me loud and clear, Anayo. I hate you. I hate the fact that I opened my legs for you, Anayo. I detest you. Shameless man.
Shame on you, Anayo. Look at what you have subjected your wife into. What have we done to you, Anayo?
Mama,
which
one is what have you done to me? Why are you sounding like this now? You heard what she said, and all you could say is what have you done to me?
Biko, Akudo, relax. Stop this fight for now. Once you put to bed, if you want to kill her, you have my support. I don't blame you. I blame this unreasonable son of mine.
Shameless man. Shameless he-goat. Can't even control this thing.
Mind the way you talk to me. Oh. It's for your own good, though. You're not supposed to be doing this on this condition. You're meant to be happy.
Why are you talking as if you're a good man? Is this not what you caused? Nonsense. Preacher. Man, that's you why.
If you had put this little thing where it's supposed to be, there will be no war.
Mama, how we're going to get this thing? Stop calling it little. Little. At least you've seen the end product here, and you still calling it little. I don't like this thing, no. Instead of you to be advising her to do no.
Shameless man. See the report. You hear image.
Naija, your wife Akudo just gave birth to a bouncy baby girl.
Hey! Yes! Thank you, Jesus. Yes! Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you. So how is that someone?
Nurse, please, where are they? Can I see them now?
No, you will see them later. We are still cleaning them up.
Okay. I cannot wait to see her.
I have to go now. Congrats.
My Akudo has a bouncy baby girl. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Hey, God, you are wonderful.
One more to go.
Hey, Akudo has a baby girl. Thank you, Jesus.
Please, who is okay now?
I'm here.
Your sister someone just gave birth to a bouncy baby boy.
Hey!
Thank you, God. Thank you.
Can we see her?
We want to clean her up. You see her later.
Hey!
Congratulations.
Bouncy baby boy! You said Akudo gave birth to a bouncy baby girl. Just as I am. Why do you let you back Akudo molo? Hey! Thank you, Jesus. Hey!
You have a son now. Bouncy baby boy.
Thank you, Jesus. Akudo gave you a bouncy baby girl. Wakalaka.
Celebrate with me. I am now a father.
Go.
A full-fledged father.
Hey.
Drink up or one for them.
I will double-fledged. Double-fledged father.
One.
Because you have two. One that side, one here. Yeah. It's not, in fact, double congratulations.
Thank you.
We're supposed to be calling you Papa Ejima.
Boy here. Papa Ejima.
Boy here. Get the other side. Yeah? This is not easy. It is not easy.
It is not easy. Congratulations. Congratulations.
This one is.
Congratulations. It is never easy to put birth to a child easily.
It's not.
It's easy.
Asa, you tried. Asa, thank you. Everybody can do that. Honestly. Oh, well. Is it? That's how it is. Here.
Hey, baby is crying.
You want to get a lachago ganya? It's you know, get a lachago ya and you went so from Uli fella. So this is where you are. And now you, what kind of a man are you?
What's the meaning of that nonsense?
What's the meaning of what? What are you doing here? Your wife put to bed, and instead of you to sit your nonsense at home and welcome the people that has come to see your child, he be a good servant with this village touts. With this one, Mami Water, your mistress, you have not even paid her bride price. Sale, opportunity, if I
So you don't know that I've been at home since morning?
You don't know
that I've been at home since morning? Can you imagine? I've been at home since morning.
Obi, Biko, let's go inside. Come and help me with the papers.
Let me ignore her one slap.
Listen to me now. Just come with me. You know I don't have the strength.
Go inside and
Happen to
drink
Leave this Madam, leave this compound.
If you talk to me, I will break you.
Get out.
Just relax and
respect yourself.
Go and drink your own inside. Go and drink your own inside. Ijoma, you're not doing well. You're not doing well.
Let me see your house.
Ijoma, Ijoma, are you giving me this thing? Let us drink.
What are you doing here?
I don't understand. What's the meaning of that stupid question? Well, I am here to see my son's father, Anayo. He needs to give me money for his son.
This girl, are daring me. You are daring me. If you know the way I feel about you, you will not have the guts to come here again.
Hey, God. Akudo, I am not here to battle words with you. I'm not even here to add to your stress, because from what I'm seeing, you got stressed already. Even if you could cause stress. Do you understand me? I'm here to see the father of my son, not you.
Anayo, Sangwa, you are nothing but a shameless she-goat. This is Anayo's wife, making this place her home. So if she asks you to leave, you leave. Get out. Get out.
Get out, don't skip more.
Hi, Asangwa. Ijoma, it is obvious to me that your brain, you've lost your sense of timing. I swear to God, if you touch me one more time, it's if you blow and blood.
You can do nothing.
Try me. Touch me again. You will do what? What will you do?
Stop crying. Nothing will happen to your child.
Hey.
Nothing will happen.
Asanwa, if anything happens to my baby, I will kill you.
Why not leave Asanwa out of this? Let's concentrate on what happened. Every time Asanwa.
Calm down. Your baby is fine. Calm down. Mr. Anayo, can I see my office?
Doctor, forget about office. How is my baby? Talk to me.
Calm down. Your baby is fine. Let's talk in my office.
Talk here, doctor. Say it here. What is it?
What is it? How is she?
How is she?
Before you could get here, her brain was damaged already, and she lost blood. I'm sorry you lost her.
Aku, please calm down, Aku. Aku, please calm down. No. I want to see her. Calm down.
Madam, calm down.
I will not be alive. And watch her someone live with her son. I'm going to commit murder.
Akudo. No.
If you come and inch close to me, bag it up now. Akudo, marry
calm down. Biko, please.
Calm down. Please.
Akudo, don't do this. Akudo.
Don't try it, though. Bag it in her black.
Aku, Biko, no, Biko.
Wicked people. I am going to commit murder. Calm down.
Akudo!
Hey!
Akudo!
Help! Chima!
Mama, I have to go with Brother Nayo.
Public property. You say someone say na your own. Somebody husband. You carry him say na your own. And the talk with the fight. You say na your own property. When trouble go come, make you.
Why would they blame you? After all, she was the one fighting with you.
My dear, I don't know. I only went to see Anayo. All of a sudden, I saw someone that got up from her seat with the baby and then trying to fight me. The baby fell on the floor. How is it my fault? Listen, we need to give them some time, oh. And in the end, some space because I can't have phone for.
Hey! Why are you running to? Hey! Open this door! Hey! Asawa!
Akudo!
Yeah! Fuck it out!
Akudo! Stop! Akudo!
Asawa! You're still here!
Ichie, that was how it happened. If I hadn't run to my mother's place, Akudo would have killed me and my child.
Jay! Why is her heart so strong like that?
Ichie, please, let's tamper justice with mercy. That boy is the only thing I have in this life. He's my only treasure. Please, I'm not even sure Akudo, my wife, will still be able to have another child. Biko, someone, please. Don't take my son away from me, please. Oh?
I won't. Only on one condition. You have to do the needful. It may be okay, but you cannot pay for that.
That I must do. I've been saying it.
I cannot be the one to lose in this case. Let Akudo lose.
Look, I will do the needful.
I am the one that bore your son.
I know. No one is disputing that fact. I will do the needful after my mother's burial.
Yes, she will not be the one to lose in this case. Let heaven fall. She will not lose.
Ichie, heaven will not fall. We are saying the same thing. I must do the needful after my mother's burial. My brother, please. I will give you this money before September. No, I will not fail you. Once we enter September 1st, you get the alert. That's the problem. I have to see the money before commencing with the plans. You know, it's just me. I don't have anyone else helping me. I promise. I will not fail you. Okay. What is it?
There is trouble.
What kind of trouble?
The bike that was bringing me home knocked Ogena and Paul down. I don't know if he's still alive.
What? Where?
Along the Market Square Road. I don't know if he's still alive.
Now?
Yes.
Where? Come!
I don't know if he's alive. I'll not go with you.
What is it? Where is your brother running off?
Accident. Where? The bike that was bringing me home knocked Ogena and Paul down. I think that boy is dead.
Good. This is good news. Is that why you're panting? You should be happy, my friend. This is good news.
I am not happy because Ogena will think I was the one that sent the bike man to kill Paul. I had to run from there before they will mob me.
Look, I pray he does not survive this. I cannot be childless while someone has a son. No! It has to be equal equation. Be happy. God has done it. Let's go. Hey!
Do you know they will think I was the one that sent the bike man?
Think again. Let's go. I cooked rice.
Hey.
Accident can happen anytime. Let's go. Hey!
The bike man just quiet.
Have you seen how God works? Okuri Ariri.
Don't send the bike man.
Okay. Pray very well that nothing happens to my brother. Just pray. Start praying.
Madam, nothing could happen now. You know, say, I'm not seeing.
You didn't see him?
I'm not seeing.
You're not a blind man. You didn't see him. I'm sure that guy asked you to hit him.
Girl?
Yes.
Nobody see me. I just didn't walk on my own and an accident.
Where is he? He's inside.
Hey,
yes, man.
I'm not seeing.
Lawyer.
Please, calm down. Please, the doctor wants to see people inside.
Hey. No, Obim, come and hold this man. Oh, no, don't let him
hold
him. Hold him very well. Let him hold him.
Are you mad?
Hold him well.
So what? You know the pain that boy is going through now?
I don't dey move for. I'm not saying the part.
How can you know? How can you
lie? You hit him on purpose. Reverend Mr. Man, bring the money. Bring the money. Give us the money.
Money? Madam. No face. I don't care money.
Shut up! No, they talk. Come on, no, they talk nonsense. You don't get money. You jam people anyhow. They mad. You call me my own son. You jam. You say you don't get money. Where do you expect us to get 100,000? 100,000
naira.
No, okay, you don't understand. That's my best.
What is all this now? Sister, what do we do? This useless man, you don't think he has money? If you hit him on the ground, nothing will come out.
See, Madam, no face.
I know what to do. See, you will give me your bike. If I say your bike, I will be able to bring it. Give me back!
Sorry.
No, but I'll come back to you. Give it to me. If I sell your bike, I'll be able to come and treat my son.
Five on you.
Let's go. Please do something. Don't touch me if I punch you. Useless man.
Sorry.
Oh no.
Beg now.
Somebody property. You say someone say now your own. Somebody husband. You carry on say now your own. And the talk you the fight. You say now your own property. When trouble go come, make you go run. Wait till you go see Bahala, you go see no trouble you go see Bahala, you go see when you go chase another woman, Bahala, wait till you go see not fighting every day. Bahala, you go see Che, idikwandi koko. Yeah, you can hide you me. Cause now so fight to go they come over your way. Every day now, every day now, balaba. Chai, brother, sister, again in the national. Mama, papa, again in the national. Somebody property, you see someone say na your own. Somebody husband, you carry on say na your own. And the top with the fight, you say na your own property. When trouble go come, make you no run. What you go see? Wahala, you go see. Na trouble you go see. Wahala, you go see. When you can chase another woman, what do you go see? Na fighting every day. Wahala, you go see. Che, idikwani koko. Iye, ikelaji nume. Cause so fighting go they come over your way.
Didn't the person know that he's parking in the middle of the road and even blocking my gate? Which guy parking with this one?
Brother, sister, again in the mafia. Mama, papa, again in the mafia.
It's me, J-Boy. Asanwa, is this you?
J-Boy.
Yeah, it's me. How are you? And where is your sister?
What are you doing here? What are you doing in my house? Don't tell me to calm down. I am not in the mood to hear anything from you. Now leave my house. Leave my house!
My love, please. Relax. Calm down and hear me first. You don't know why I'm here.
You don't want to go?
Relax, please, my
You
love.
don't you dare touch me.
Asanwa, it's me,
Leave
J-Boy.
my house.
Please, my love.
J-Boy, you!
I'm sorry.
J-Boy!
I'm sorry for everything. I understand. Please, let's go inside and talk. Hear me first. Huh? My love, please.
Don't touch me. You need to go point me to the marker.
Pick up. Let's go in.
I don't know why you're being moody. You should be happy. Why are you being sad?
Brother, how is he? Brother, I'm talking to you.
Leave him. Maybe the boy is dead.
Uncle, please, don't talk like that. That boy is an innocent child, and he did not bring himself into this world.
My child, uncle, was she guilty? Is that what you're saying? Was my daughter guilty? Was she guilty? Don't get me angry. Don't get me angry, Ijoma.
Uncle, that is not what I'm trying to say.
What are you now saying?
Let's put an end to this fight. Since we've all found out that what brother treasures most is that boy, let's allow him care for him. Biko.
Is that what you're saying? Ijoma Kid. So, you are no longer with me in this fight. Listen, if you have made up your mind to be against me, write me a letter, Biko. Write me a letter.
This is very urgent to me. If there's a way you can help me, just send the money, please. Okay, now, please. Please.
Brother, how is God?
Okay, please now, Thank you very much.
Anna, is that money you're holding?
Brother, how is he?
If I find out that you have a hand in this, I promise you, I will kill you. I will kill you.
Is that not the money you realized from the land you sold for Mama's burial? Ijoma,
don't touch me.
Talk to your brother. It will be very, very shameful for you not to give her a befitting burial.
Anayo.
Brother. The boy will not survive it. You're talking of someone's life. You're busy talking of money.
You will not survive it, I know.
stop until we finish this. What kind of a person are you?
I thought you were with me.
We are talking of someone dying
Chameleon.
and you're busy talking of money. I am not a chameleon. I am not.
Imuariala. Because Mama is no longer alive. That is it. But don't worry. With or without you, I will win this war. Nonsense.
Thank you so much, J-Boy. Thank you. Thank you for saving my boy's life. God bless you.
It's okay, my love. I'm happy now you are giving me a listening ear.
It's okay, I understand now. But I'm just saying that you would have at least sent me a message. Or open the phone, at least son me. Because I'm sure that white woman, she won't be able to hear anything you say in Igbo language. But you just abandon us just like that. It's not nice now.
It is not awkward to me to use Igbo. But don't worry, my love. Now that I'm back to base in Nigeria, the money that I have made will be enough for you and I forever. I promise you, you will not suffer again.
Which one is you and I?
Mona.
You and I?
Yes.
Yes.
I was able to get some money.
There wouldn't be any need for that. Meet J-Boy.
J-Boy?
Yeah, J-Boy.
Hey, J-Boy. Hey, thank you very much. God bless you. You paid for everything. I can see that. Thank you. When did you come back?
Today.
Today?
Yes.
Child. How that side now?
Everywhere good.
No, it's obvious now. I can see. Child. So when are you going back?
MSC.
Thank you very much. Okay. Let me quickly see my son inside.
Wait.
Thank you very much. J-Boy, what are you saying? No, what nonsense are you saying? Are you normal?
What do you mean? I don't get it. What do you mean? Didn't you know that Asanwa here and I were in love? Listen, for your information. I am here to take her and her sister back to the city. She's going to be my wife.
Didn't you know, beginning? Come, don't allow the devil to use you. I'm warning you. Don't allow the devil to use. What nonsense are you? Now, can you hear what this guy is saying? Asanwa, didn't I tell you that I'm going to marry you? This guy cannot take my son away now.
No, please. I know it's your son that you want. Please do me a favor. I'm tired. Just go back to your wife and stay with her. As for your son, I will give you your son. But tell Akudo, if Akudo touches my even one scratch, I'm going to be able 9 months. Don't be here. Take care of my son for me, that's all. For this thing, we are done with it.
Asanwa, why don't
that's the only
I love you. I love you. Don't do this.
Did you hear what you said? No one is talking about your son here. We are talking about, this is the love of my life. She is my treasure. Please.
It is shown on you as America, not
not in my house.
Are you normal?
I will lock you up.
You lock who up?
Nobody's locking you up.
Asanwa, Biko.
I said I will give you your son now. Go now. Leave me. I want to get. Won't I get married?
Confess. Let's take one on.
No, we're not talking. We're not talking about anything.
Use the gate. I said you should use the gate.
I'm talking.
If you try me, you will sleep in cell. You won't do anything.
Hey, Nepal, listen to my face.
Ijoma, leave me alone. I want to go. What is it? You don't want me in this house anymore. Why are you stopping me?
I want you.
You don't want me. Let me go.
You want to leave me. Please,
Ijoma, leave this alone. Ijoma, I don't want to stay. Ijoma,
please don't leave me alone. Don't leave me. Please, talk to her. Biko, no.
Ijoma.
Biko, no. Please. Biko.
Please. Please. Hey, Ako, Biko, I'm sorry. I've been responsible since we got married. Since we've been living in the city, have you heard anything concerning cheating? It's when we came back here, I was just, will I say, deceived. That stupid Ojuku is always telling me do this, do that, but it's not an excuse to cheat, please. And then Biko. There's nothing like Asanwa again. Asanwa is gone for good. She promised to give me back my son Paul. Please. And then Biko, I love you. You know that I love you. It's just because of Biko. No excuse, but just forgive me, please. I can't let you go. Biko, please.
It's okay. I'm also sorry. I'm sorry for the manner in which I've been talking to you lately. I was just trying to fight for my rights, to fight for my own. I couldn't watch another woman take you away from me. I lost my child. I still stayed because of how much I love you. I lost Mama, I lost everything. I still endured. Just because of love. Don't worry. You can bring Paul to live with us. I promise to treat him as my own.
Thank you. Thank you.
Somebody property, you see someone say now you're on. Somebody husband, you carry on say now you're on. And the talk you the fight, you say now your own property. When trouble go come, make you go run. Wait till you go see, you go see. No trouble you go see, you go see. When you got just another woman, what do you go see? I'm fighting every day. I see Che, idikwandi koko. Yeah, ikeraji nume. Cause now so fighting go they come over your way. Every day now, every day now, Chai, brother, sister, organic dinner, piano. Mama, papa, organic dinner, piano. Somebody property, you see someone say now you're on. Somebody husband, you carry on say now you're on. And the talk you the fight, you say now your own property. When trouble go come, make you go run. Wait till you go see, you go see. No trouble you go see, you go see. When you got just another woman,